Yeah, burn it down to the ground. You know what I mean? Take a, and you go do what you do. This is a full movie. You can't see a 3 hour. You know what I mean? And it's a show. Very interested. Leave a comment. Subscribe to the channel at same speed. You know what I mean? Brother or lover mix up and baggers. Nothing I go on and show you. Hard working, this a grudgeful of that, this the money. Everything mixed up in it. So watch it, leave your comments. Because everybody will support the channel. Burn it down to the ground. Jamaican Studios. Curious King.
Give me like a time now. No. Word of advice. Never give up, never give up. Never give up, never give up. You can try again. You can try again. Never give up, never give up. No, never give up, never give up. No. Even when the world is closing door, and even when things is getting worse than it was before, even when the bills man come knocking at your door, even when the burden gets so heavy, feel like you just can't walk no more, I'm here whispering in your ears and saying, never give up, never give up, never give in, no. Never give up, never give in. Cause you can try again. You can try again. You plant the seed, them and now it come rain. Life is so great, why you sit aside and you complain? Seems like something is wrong with your brain. Life is what it is, yes, and I can't apologize for all the things they did. That's in the past, that's in the past. And if you run a race and you're not focused, you know you're gonna come last. You may buck your toe sometime before, but I'm telling you, matter how hard, never give up, never give up, never give in. Never give up, never give in. Cause you can try again. You can try again. See, I'm a true testimony. See, I am a true testimony. I've been through the rough without any money. See, I am a true testimony. Oh, I've been through war and I ain't got no money, no. You can try again, no. You can try again. Pray to the Most High, He will heal your pain. Whoa, you can try again. Everything remains the same, and you can try again.
You realize we can't hear it though?
Yo. Walk up on him. Yeah, move up slow.
Come on, Theo. Hello. The deal with sister said don't deal with her, so. Don't deal with her,
Come out
so.
of the problem, yeah?
Do not deal with her, so when me decide on you, hear?
Come on.
Let me go!
Oh,
Watch
come on.
here.
Yo, walk up my birthday.
Let me go! Come to you. You know what? Can't bother with this no more, you know. Can't bother with
Yo, man, I talk to me.
Hello, man, I have time to plan something.
Where you come on river for? Where you come on river for?
Bad man.
Me did invite you.
You not have to invite me, my sister invite
Yo,
me.
calm down yourself. You hear me? Shut your
Yo,
box.
let me go. One to you. You know what I do? You know what? You don't need all that.
Every time me and you go somewhere, me and you go a
Sister,
river,
come on.
and you choose to carry a sister. I leave
You
like
know
bother go
what?
know with you. Here.
You're not going by your business, go business.
Yo.
This mine, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what. Me I sit down and come down.
Wow. Wow, what a beautiful angel. Where the girls from? Where the girls from?
Oh, Peru, this one.
Oh, my sister. Oh, my sister?
Yes, we are.
You know, say, you know, say I don't have to come for wash off, you know. I'm money man, so I have to come recharge.
What? Sis, you
Whoa,
don't know why you
my
know about me.
Wow.
What? Sis, you don't know why you know about me. I go in the water.
It's a beautiful angel. Can I talk to you, please?
No problem.
Oh, I'm not asking a question, man. The thing with that all more, no. And a beautiful girl like you can't be single.
Yes, I am single. But why you ask anyways?
No, not really, not really. We just want to get to know you because a girl like you, we don't want to settle down with. So we really want to know if you're single. So like, you're single you now, you can talk, date, take care of that whole about nothing. Money is no problem. When you see me, money is not an issue. Anything you want, you can get that. I promise you that. Just give me a chance in your life. And that's all me I beg, you know. A chance.
Yes, but we can't just jump in our relationship. So me have to get to know you. So you know you're going to know, just give me a number and me just get in contact with you. That's why I be better here so we can know each other. Somebody can just jump in our relationship so and they don't know nothing about nobody. It's not right.
Alright, still, but you can't take my number, you know.
Alright.
Ready? 876 363 69 16. Can't see me as, don't see me as J.
Okay.
Alright, so I'll leave it to the sister, isn't it?
Okay.
Like a sexy shape. Hello?
Hi.
Are you,
Yes, me need it.
how are you?
Somebody send me to your cousin and say, yeah, hire bodyguard.
Oh, come inside the man, can't talk about that. Alright, so where's the brave? Willing to die for you, willing to die for your boss if any necessary things come down. If he was
a man come here, so right now I stick with you and choose one life. You ready to give away your life?
Hey boss, you know, so I'm well militant. Willing.
Alright, yeah. You say a good bodyguard. You say well serious, you know, laugh, and you on time, and you respect who you work for. Well, you know, respect that and rate that. You see right now my woman there, you know. And me don't like man company that's a female bodyguard. I don't like to look for a man every minute. More of you look for a woman right through. So, my gift to you now. Don't ask me why we are going in my car. The police don't want to check my car unless you're hungry. But anyway, you can hunt how much you want a month.
Well, it depends, you know.
You can count to 10 and then you can tell how much you value a month.
Well, bossy, that's an easy thing to do. Easy thing to do. What kind of easy thing you make me do? Count to 1 to 10, that don't make no sense.
No, there's no counting say 1 to 10. Count to 10.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Alright, excellent. Alright, so how about 100,000 a month? And another thing, if you kill nobody, we try to kill me, we don't kill who not try to kill me. They have to try to kill me, kill them. They give you 300,000 each month, somebody try to kill me. And differently, one thing around me, I'm afraid. My money, your money. Once me I make money, you will be alright. You understand? I need a bodyguard too. Too much people are watching no matter how many jets ragged. They still know what I want because we make millions, you know. Millions, point upon millions. Half this, half that, because we have accountant for her. She deal with everything for me, you know. And me go and do the basics. But I definitely need bodyguard and right now. We're glad you come. So you don't worry about this. It's safe. Money there. Anyway, your work starts here now. Because so many times we don't want to go on the road. So if we stay up on the road, don't worry about that. We just don't want to go there.
Alright. So, we all have to start.
Alright, your first assignment. You down the road owe me 300,000 in rent. Paid you.
How you look?
No, we will send you this information, but none of that. You don't even know you look in the way pan right now. Just go there, the code of 55 street. Just a 55 street, you know, so you want to get it back. Anyway, what? We don't know your name.
Brittany.
Alright, so we're going to turn to Brittany. 55 street, Connecticut. Now text me, remember, tell me your name. Brittany, and then 55 street, Connecticut.
Alright, bossy.
Alright. Okay, the first assignment, you know.
Aye.
Yeah.
Who that?
Romeo.
So wait now? You look past the door?
Good night.
So you look for some?
Where's the study?
I'm feeling if I say come in and people want more access to body.
Good night. You know me ain't a two plan, please.
Me yeah, but calm myself when I talk to me. You're calm yourself. I know my sister this year.
Yeah, what going on now? From one day I call her sister, you know. Yes, a couple of days ago I call her sister. And I not get to her.
Yeah.
I know say me and her did have some little argument and something, and she had avoided me from the day when I go to river and I did pass my place with her and with she is me so. But I don't really see the reason why she have fear overreact with that situation.
Because you grab her up so.
Yeah, but she can't pass that. You see me, I know some pass my place, but the reason why I don't go and say no, is because me I say we are going to river and you know, if we get a little time and I can 6 hours in the water and them thing there that did if you block me traffic.
I'm a little sister. Anywhere me there, she there.
Yeah.
Anywhere she there, me
Me
there.
understand how you have to, but every time me and her go out, you see me, when I feel me and fear time, you have to do it. You see me? Me not like that there. So
Well,
that they kind of turn me off. So from that she not answer me nothing, me I call her. She not answer me. Me not see a reason why she have to abuse her. So that's why I come up to see what I go on.
She
So
not
when she
there.
study.
She not there. And her phone there here. She left the phone here.
So that's why me I call her and I get her. Oh she?
Yeah. Well, to tell you the truth now, I'm glad I never come over with me there.
Oh
I'm
me?
glad what happened take place. Because we go to river and my sister book one rich man.
Book what?
Calm down, man, calm down. Listen.
Book which rich man?
Listen me now. One rich man. He also they say my killer to steal now, but listen, he rich, like he well rich. So she want things that me can't buy her. So my mother want tin of paint and you can give me sister money to buy it. Now you can buy mother it. And me can buy neither, you know. Cause you know how familiar thing come down already.
So did she really do to me?
No, listen,
Down there with the rich man and look how me love her.
She say, if you tell her, say, she still love you.
Love and do this to me.
Now, she want the total life be better. So she can the rich man and carry the money come give you.
So why she never come to me in person and talk to me about this? Why she do this behind my back?
Because of
And she said she love me. She don't love me.
Because of how you react now. Nobody not go and talk to somebody and they react like this. Look how you react.
You could have simply send me a voice note or leave a message from my
As me
phone.
say.
Why are you have to tell me?
She change the phone. Because the man must tell him say I buy a new phone and so a new chip and what kind of want to in contact with no man or whatever. So she changed the phone. She left his phone here. So me I go call her and tell her say come over here and then find it so maybe know if you do find it.
So she could hold out. She could hold out with me till better days come. She have to jump gone.
Let me ask you a question. Your woman find a rich man. Rich man when you can get millions off her. You cannot buy a Benz. You cannot build 3-story house. That no nice.
No, listen up. I'm tell you. I am a man of loyalty. I believe in loyalty. Me no believe in a money. I don't like girls who believe in a vanity and them something. I don't like that.
Oh, you don't like girls who believe in a vanity. What they love her though.
Yeah, me love her. So she jump, gone left me with one another man fake of money.
You have to love with money, do you hear? You have to love with money. If you don't have no money, you know so no girl not going to stick by your side. So you have to have money.
Yeah.
And she get money for you and her, for me, for my mother. She look for me, sit down there now. Remember now, I don't have a man and I'm not working. And for other day, she take care of my mother too. And she take care of me. So I'm glad for that and she will take care of you.
Alright.
Sit down and relax.
Yeah, go on. Yeah, go and go think about this. And see if I can record it.
Yeah man, when I come down, I just come back.
Sorry if you get in contact with me.
Yeah, I'm going
Sorry if you behave so with the river.
No,
And I
we're
show,
good,
like, you know, as I tell you before, say, you don't have sex in the water and if you did it, you block the
I don't
traffic.
understand.
So,
I don't want
you
to
just get corrupt.
But me never black on traffic. I could have the wheel on the river bottom and the wave on river top. I know this is wood, no.
No, still return. No, but I think about it. Tell her if you get in contact with me here.
Yeah, man. What one?
Yeah, man. Big up.
that good enough. Sure, it's a water night. So, you say I go on with you now, nephew.
Oh, I'm there, man. Life hard. Just say I go and survive.
So, what about your uncle? So you're fine, your uncle have money, you call him. Can you go down and pull a string to you make you live a better life yard there, you know. Things better over there than yard, yeah. So you could start a little business before you could actually go and make a better living. So then you could do your work, yeah. Well, this is what I can offer you for right now. Because I depend on the go slow business right now because we depend on some things to go through, they not go through yet. You understand? So but for now, you 1 and 2 day work, what I can do for you still as a youth. This is a good still for you in a trader, but you know how it go. You have to talk to your uncle though. You know what I mean? So you know to know what the world you can do. What you can do differently?
You know, so what day me there, I sit down and I look. And I say, oh, place bush up. But I want a waka. See, I could get a waka now, I could cut a couple trees and cut down a couple grass. You know, make a honest living. Because most of my friends, them, you know, me and them go to school together. All of them are drive and I just me alone and walk. You see me? And it's kind of hard.
Well, you have a point though, so because that work enough here, you know. Which are your panny, I'm saying I don't really feel you just a bit because you want a night dinner. You know what I mean? So what am I going to do for you? As a bigger person for you now. I know somebody have a second-hand worker, right? I go take it from them. You know what I mean? And make you pay a fee. Little. You know what I mean? And then get for the money and you have the worker for go and cut the yard them. So if you're smart enough for you do a good job, you cut the yard them good, you have a steady income. Because all the yard they run you can go and cut so they eat the food. Alright? So in the evening, we just load up if I do so, and then at the evening now, you can make it the worker for the youth. Put the bucket to start load it. If you have fresh concrete, go to the first. So one dog walk on here, so you see it? Shit up here at the night time. Start over the first. If you are good, now get touch the paint. Come on, more so. Come on, don't need it. Alright, that good. So, go get some more.
Yeah. I know, realize I busy want beyond thing, you know. Because the internet a move slow and him sitting there. Me even depend that downloads and he could even download. JPS said me say the light one PS and water commissioner text me and them something there, so we need to pay the bills them. Where say?
I understand for sure. Ah, you know what I can do? Take it up.
Alright.
Come with me. She outside, you know. You don't need your phone. Let's go.
Alright. Brittany! Babes, the Brittany here.
Alright, Brittany, yes, sir, you sit down there, sir. Alright, you're messing up, baby. You know, tomorrow I'm going to draw some money for me.
Alright.
But, hear this. Draw a good amount, and get with my coat here.
Alright.
And here I know, if you never got the machine, they draw the money, make sure you cover it up, don't make nobody see your pin. And when in the outer door, cover up the same way and put in your pin.
Alright.
Right. And here I know, draw 50,000 more than the 100,000.
But babe, you know what I do what? You can't draw more than that.
No, listen to me. VMBS upgrade.
Oh.
You can draw 150,000 from the machine.
Alright then. Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Blessed. How go on? Yeah, man. Maybe that's the reason why Evelyn you tell me say you have a waka today where you not use and your man left it and you did it and you don't know what to do with it. You ever know? I know if I look at youth where in a situation where part him is ambitious look at youth and he want push himself forward. So how much did I sell the waka for? Yo, 20 grand too much, man. About 18. Yeah, man, sorry, you want to know. I'm not thinking of 18, but in my work with me said way, so what I do, when I pay him, you can't get someone who don't pay him until he pay off it. Because I take me there, show me 100, say, you know, you can't just get a walk and go and run the road. Alright, so what you do, you get him just work out a payment plan. But what can I go there? I just give him the walker, I'm ensure, say, him pay your full money. So 18 man, I get a youth man, help him out man. Because you really need it, because you can't use your woman. Yeah man, we soon further now, because we don't work. Come in a second, come on man. Yeah, we are forward there now. See it. Just talk to the person a while ago, you know. Say him go gear the worker for 18,000. Right? You have money put on your yard?
Remember something else, not now, 2 grand.
No yourself man, I know that man. I don't have to check you still see if you have money. But different from that though, what go on and now is you go get the worker to go and start using. You see, you're not going to work out a plan. No matter if every week, every month, whatever time, but anything you and him set, you carry that out because this is how I live. I live off of my words, and my words they must mean something. You know what I say? And your words must mean something, so you're going to make it in a life. You're young, you teach me, I teach something. Alright? Come on, we can move out there now. You can see it in the front back. You go get the worker, you start work with it. Up there. You said I get a youth, you should get opportunity. No waste to make you side. Yeah man, you can't see it for now. You tell you one thing man, you see, in our life, you see where some man do mash up with you know. That woman there have a worker was a good woman. But she pick up, alright. I didn't like the girl you know. But she like one different man. So when me pour my love to her, she block all of them sitting there man and pick up one man with fancy and dancy. I know the man do.
Left him.
Left her in a... No! They with her. Sleep with her family member them. And then borrow one big money in a fear name. And left her with the loan to pay off.
So she pay off?
She have to pay off now. Because her name signed to it. So me I show you something this about... So woman go look for a man and say man bad and wicked now. When a them make the choice what they make. You You understand? So me I tell as a young youth say, see woman we choosing a life, careful. And don't mess up the woman them. Because it ain't a bad picture for man. You understand? So you anyway, but we don't have to pick up the tool them. But no say a man early. Touch your road and try to get some yard cut. Some of the yard them don't want to teach your business now. Not go with the high price too much. Go with the price you know people can afford. If you are doing like ghetto, they give them ghetto price. If you're uptown, they give them uptown price. You understand? But not kill nobody. So my people them who you know say trustworthy, you can say me cut the yard, man. You have money you pay me. You bill what you call it, customer the so. So you know say you get the yard cut straight through. If you have 10 or 30 yard to cut, you sure your weekend money that. Alright. Go take out that because I forgot me out. So differently. What are the plans? Differently though. What differently make you really want this? What are the plans? How you go get money now? How you go deal with it?
See, I want partner more and going still. Because if I don't have a partner, that would be good for me because I work up on a little restaurant. But now no money I know to buy land. So you see, if I could have gone a partner now, I know I have a little money to do me because I can't cook, you know.
Alright, when you have a dream, that's a will. And if you have a will, then you have a way. When it's a will, it's a way. Come on, you. You go make it.
Hey Joe, you shipment there go too? Alright, good. Alright, we call her Joe. Alright. Brittany, you can excuse me a little bit with task my wife. What is this supposed to be? Yeah, good enough.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, now just sit there.
Alright.
Beg your pass. Mr. Beg your pass.
Oh. 1 minute. You can have a minute out here. You know, some really like you. But every time I try to make a movie, I turn me down.
How that concern me?
Well, I don't know still, but I just tell her how I feel and I tell her some really like you, but I like to get a chance in your life. But anyways, other than that, I do through this alone, please. I'm not nobody take away now, because I'm really concerned about you.
I don't know how that concern you, you know. Anyways, I want my friend them me look for. And first of all, remember somebody tell us I don't have time for whatever your game is playing. I don't look this up. I have better things for my head.
Alright then.
Hello?
Mama, you know what I mean? I understand your style though.
There, you know. I'm good.
You say you move, go down so we have a better life, right? Yeah, but me not say nothing not change. You think I go down there if you fall in love?
Just easy na man. The man they and thing and sometime in their home and are in business, so I can't just say me I do certain things. You me suspicious of me and things, isn't me?
No, I ramp with me, you know. A better life, you say you go down there go live for me and you. So things can better, so that if you go down, they go do. No go down, they go fall in a love with no man. I'm not depend on that. So when me can get a food,
And that me I tell you, throw me alone mostly in the house and thing with him. I can't just stick up a card and name something. They can have one card a whole heap of million on it, you know. So I can't just stick up here and them way there. You know, see me? Come me alone in the house.
Hold on. I'm calling, hold on. Running. How go on? Long time I don't see you.
Why are big thing?
Touch me, touch me.
Oh.
I've been feeling in your life for a long time now.
What you talk about? No long time I know you. Me grow like a brother and sister. Stop going so. If me feel I give you something now, I'm gonna feel like I'm a brother I'm down with. Plus you know, so me and my man run a yard.
I don't care about that, mama. You see me? Are you more want me in a business about your man, I don't want to hear nothing about your man. If you use about long time days, then that's the right thing then. And that's why if you do because you know me for a long time and you know me capable of doing. You see me?
If me don't give you, man. Remember, so I used to play Dolly House. Mommy and daddy don't know where we dey. We in a bush. So we could have do anything already. Me and your brother and sister. Take that off your mind. Because me not see you as my boyfriend. You know what me have nothing, so don't say that.
Different from that. What you deal with though? Give me your money no man.
Me not no money.
So what that mean?
Shop me I go buy 3 pound of rice and 3 tin mackerel. Alright, Romeo, touch it. Later, yeah?
Think what is it now, me tell you, you know.
Go and see it, yeah, man.
I'm not shang up though. Boy, they don't deserve that, you know.
Oh yes, Danielka. Yeah man, nice show, you know. Yeah. Baby, what man?
No.
You could have swear the earphone just in a while ago, you know.
No, some mother did call.
So how you say no?
You know, so that mother did call though. And so I love her. Jesus Christ, she always did it for me, you know.
What do you mean your mother that? But anyway, what your mother do?
You know, so though she not alright though. Right now she has some money problem and thing. So you can't give me more money for me can give her and something. Cause I don't like her right now. She had tell me so certain things like along, you see me?
Oh God, man, come on, man. Are you mother that, you know? You waste too much time, man. Hold on. I'm my mother-in-law, that's, you know. Yeah. That's why about the country, but we know it's a good. That's why about the country, a good portion that. Some $5,000 bill a night, I'm sure that. So that can buy supermarket, that can buy PA. You have like bill or PA,
Yeah.
no matter. Make sure you deal with that.
Alright, I'll give her that.
Remember, go on the mother, you know, say mother.
Yes, alright, I'm going to come back here.
I don't let no boy look for you, you know.
Me not do that day.
I walk, I'm not a shot.
Oh, go on.
No,
4,000. Oh, go on now. You get the thing for me now.
Yeah, man, me get it, you know. You want, you know, so do sometimes I wonder if I stay with the money and thing, but you see through the money, I just say I stay with him and so I can make a better life for me and you know.
Hear me, I say, you have to stay with it because you tell me say you have millions. And want to create off millions. You see me? If I'm money and no money, much money that I carry come now. Much money.
About 6 grand.
Here it is. 6 grand, I can't do nothing. Which part exactly, Olive? Tell me which part exactly. Where the host there?
So they don't run this do a one scheme, right? This off from right as a turn off in a from lane. Scheme right there, so just walk come in and make you meet you anytime or something.
Alright then, no problem. I have to pull up over there because I don't like the from you too far. You see me like at night time I feel so lonely. I love when I'm there in my presence. Because you know say I am love of my life, you know. You see me just not like when they're far from me. You see me just hope you know give that the man there all I love, you know. And me forget you. So nobody feel comfortable over there, you know. And money you look and I love. So me know why you go and like you want dash no love for him. More if you dash your money for me and you stick to this forever. You see me? So make sure say you not give man no love. Creep money. Creep and go through. So hope you not fall in love.
No sir, you don't tell me not to do that, man. I don't know say I creep you for crazy, you know. Cause I'm a fool man. You don't want that. Look how ugly and thing. So you nice babes. Like Jesus Christ. I could ever let you for him. What type of thing game when you find him from that it is? You might know about
I go on general.
I go understand.
Like you come all the same though.
That me don't want to do, but that look cool, sir.
I'm just sleep tonight and not dry off again to go back tonight.
Oh.
The camera and something from all the shower still. I don't know. Nothing like naturality. Talking about that, you know say the sister we give the worker, you PRF already?
Yeah man, me PRF. Yeah man, me PRF man. Get all that money.
I'm going to check out if I'm there still, so because a long time I'm not really going for the blacklist still, so I want to know. But a good thing if I PRF, you know, because that's one good vibration, because you see a word, have to be a band, you know what I mean? That's a good vibe, man. So we have to do differently now then, because you don't PRF, where you focus on? Your mind 2 girls know what time money?
Man, no sir. You know, say still I want a good partner I want to find to join now. But I know say I can't put on money, I have to worry about it.
Yeah, I know the vibration, because most of the people them put the money in a bank, you know, okay, everybody go with bank money, you know what I mean? But here I say to you now, I know a young lady who has some solid partner, a big people in it, big people who working people, partner, and a joke partner. So you go on and know. You see, don't have room, that's all. Just go down there and ask, say, Jice. And then, just since I partner lady you want, when you find Jice, since you want to find the partner lady, she will tell you about the partner lady there. And that woman there, actually the partner, the young girl, she had a good partner. Everybody try her partner, get their money and everything good. Because she's serious about her money. Don't miss it now. So you see one of the things, you see if you're making enough money, after you pay your partner, you have more money, you put on your money that means one day or rainy day come, before you don't get to go cut no yard, you still have money to pay.
Yeah man, that me ever do.
The girl will tell your money that if you have one girl, get a one girl who's good and sensible, when I pressure you. So she know you have, you're not on the same road, you make it, is it?
Alright, go and do what you do still. I come try go down on the road there. I'm looking at my dog.
You come a little late though.
Oh, I told me there's some errands to run. Oh, go on, madam.
Alright.
So I'm glad for you for working out.
So me pay for now. Is it 4 grand? So Monty. Alright.
Madam, you know, so I thank you for the work. Madam, you know, so I thank you for the work still. You know, how more that manage if me didn't get the work.
Alright. So Monty go like low and don't disappoint me, you know.
Oh boy.
I wonder why the person takes so long to bring that money there.
Must know I care for him. No boss, me can't this for long enough, alright?
Just be man, can't leave it.
It's on hot man. Christ. I'm barely hot me all hungry. Hungry.
Hello?
Hello, B.
Bye.
You know, I said you want me there and me have moved some furniture in the boat. Some of them too heavy for me and I can't move them, so I can't send a second.
Right now, me have a second away pass some money and I can't move you now, busy. So if you can get somebody else, deal with it, you get somebody else.
Oh, wait there. Let's see the worker man out of the way still. May I go to him and ask him here?
Alright, do that and then.
Alright.
Yeah, what this after this one?
same way, brethren. See, I think I have to come start, I'm there and wait. So I'm say Friday, you know? And thing. Yeah. Well, come on now. Yeah, clean up the place and pretty nice and clean, my brother. Yeah, come on, I clean up the place and proper, you know. I don't like too much grass on the lawn, you know, brother. See?
No man, we can deal with it, but I will not want me
to
deal with it
today.
today.
What price you charge?
No, for the yard, you can give me 5-5, you know.
5-5. Alright. That's one proper. See money, see? So go on, deal with it.
Alright, yeah. Pinky.
What is it? What is it? And?
But I want to get a chance in your life.
Bobby, well, alright, you know, I have time to focus on that.
Really look how far we are come from here. Tell me, say you can't just give me one chance.
Listen, I have one for my mind here. I have better things to do later.
Hello. Evening. I have one.
Wagwan.
Me say two good partner.
Yeah. 2 space left back. What's
Oh. So how your partner go monthly or weekly? I told me do you want to throw partner with you come here, so you throw partner good. So how much?
Actually, the part they are 235,000.
Oh. So how much a week?
5,000.
Alright.
It's weekly.
Wow. Oh good.
When I say money, you know, we are still not going to suffer.
Alright. So Mauritian, second and third and our last one hour.
People already take the last draw. You know, no, believe it. So you just
What kind of last
draw?
last draw book out. So you'll get it when it finish.
When it finish. So after last draw. You say when it finish like what?
No, like the day when it finished, you will get all of that information. Just not write your name now, just give me a name.
Alright, Bob aka Wakaman.
Well, Wakaman, I already have one Wakaman in this.
No.
You want me name Wakaman too?
Never said Wakaman, I said Walkerman.
But I still have Walkerman in my book. You want, alright, me go
Bob, name me as Bob.
And Bob. Now the part there 240,000. So you know it in set. Next week, by next week, you carry my 5,000. Come and ramp with my partner.
Alright.
Oh, I'm not want to hold nobody. And I take money out of my pocket to pay nobody. Another one. One more step. is it? Who is it? Who is it?
So what I want? So what I want?
How can I help you?
You see me other bank card, $2 million missing off it. Someone want to know what's going on. Because you're my accountant, so you must can tell me what's really going on with my money.
There has to be some error because I don't remember taking any money from your account. So I'm going to check and see what's the problem.
Where really are you, pal? Get to work, man. Get to work. I'm not have to bust somebody in there. Get to work, man.
Hold on. Let me check something. Okay, just give me 5 minutes. Wait outside and let me check what's the problem.
Let me bear wait outside. I'm only trying to take come off a man backyard. Eh? Yo, bossy, when I go away and in a so we at and she can't tell you nothing. Do what you have to do. Or bust head in this. Me left me country.
Listen. Me missing 500,000 off of my bank card. Try to explain yourself. Because you're the one have access to that account.
Okay, no need to argue. Because 500,000 is nothing. Because look, Penny, we make over 100 million already. So, $500,000 now gonna kill you.
Oh, so you want to say you really robbed me 500,000?
And she like a tough chat.
Two, you make me make 100 million? Listen to me. I need to go back fast and quick to talk fast. Come, talk fast. I'm getting it back. 500,000 with extra too.
Alright, no problem. I'm gonna put it back and even add a little bonus on it. So no argument no need to go on.
Alright, you have less than 24 hours to represent back my money and the interest. And my bodyguard is gonna pay you next.
Boss, I'm gonna boss our head.
I now like it.
Have a good day.
For number one thing, I never want a lady to bust your head. That's why I'm never seen a lady come bust your head.
Sir, please go.
Second. You know, sir, Mary, really have to go up on the road, you know, baby.
Right now?
You soon come back, yeah?
Alright. Be careful, yeah?
Yeah, you be careful to don't let nobody inside, please.
Alright.
Open.
Welcome, babes.
Yeah, David.
Are they here now? I know I said do one, but I want him to come give me a link though.
I know if you even dust for me, I go call by you first. Come on, tell us on the day in our place, you know.
Eh,
I don't want to come give you a check. I want you did it.
I just me alone there, man.
You sure your man not did it?
That gone somewhere. In come with him bodyguard.
Alright, me a forward then. Give me next few.
Alright then. Hurry up.
Really want to reason with it because we can't bother fear hide and I don't like hide business, you know. I want can there and feel comfortable so the man forward. I don't fear run, fear hide. I don't fear come up at a certain time and I fear cut. Hear more if you don't know. More if you tell a boyfriend say you have a brother, you see me, and he move from up the line and come down here now you can rent a house down here. You see me? Just tell him, same like come and tell him say your brother said nothing really go on up there so. And he come now because he want to make a better life. So rent a house and they are in that place. Someone me there, me not feel hide.
No.
So to him, he won't feel like me a brother and sister, but he don't know say me the bonner one.
That's smart. You know, so I said, I love you, babes.
So yeah, deal differently. Around that time I think he might come back afraid I know.
I'm not afraid of that idiot then.
No, man.
Yeah. Hey, if you time to run me, you have to cool yourself.
Told me hear about on the street about him, my friend. I don't want him to shoot me.
You don't know already. If a lioness always calm down the lion, isn't it? So, I don't know some got that black man.
Alright then. I don't really want to carry in because I'm afraid of your boyfriend.
You know me. You know me. I tell you, yo. I'm lucky, I'm lucky, you know. You tell you, I'm lucky, I'm lucky.
Hey, you come back so early?
Them boy, they don't know me, you know. How happen now?
Well, go and see each other. You good? Mm-hmm. Alright. Let's hope say when we take care of yourself on the road, you know.
No, you talk.
No, you know, just glad to stay on thing, you see me?
I'm going to lay down because right now, we're tired enough. How is this move, sir?
No man, my bed is the breeze on the door.
Breeze, text me.
It's not bad.
I could ask our rat to run past that way. Everything alright though?
Yeah man, everything alright. I know you said you could come back so quick, you know.
Oh, I expect him to come back so quick.
I feel like I've got my urban business.
Yeah, but I deal with business, we're not supposed to tell you the time, you're not supposed to. You wonder how we come back so quick.
You know what I said, do my brother moved down from one place, isn't it? Because he wants to start a brand new life. Isn't it?
So what you want plans to stay?
He go rent a place, close by or something. So, we did want to meet him, isn't it? Like, oh, you don't really know most of them, isn't it?
Okay, yes, sir. Alright, so tomorrow I'll deal with that.
So, I don't know.
I'm gonna deal with some things that somebody messed with me on the road and just have to go out there, isn't it?
Must be careful up on the road, man.
I'm not afraid of nobody.
Yeah. Man, you have to be careful.
So we're right on there, you know. We're not afraid of nobody on the road.
I know, but you still have to be careful.
Alright, yes, sir. I'll take off first.
Alright.
Dad.
What you look for?
Hmm?
What you look for?
I'm gonna find a device somewhere else to find it. And you say you want me on the road, right?
Yeah.
So you take on the card and go deal with what you have to deal with. Can you take on the card? And you know what it is, whatever. Then you put it over.
I walk a man, I come to cut the yard.
Oh, alright, now come on. Alright, you can go and strip yourself.
Alright then.
Alright, so.
Yeah.
You get it up on thing, right?
Mm-hmm, let's cut the yard now. Which palm to start first?
That's not a long after, man. Alright. Put up place for water, you know.
Alright.
Baby, you good? You alright, baby?
Yes, we good.
Alright.
Alright, let's start.
Start him up, man, start. What on? So much time price?
Yeah, 65.
Alright. That's it for you. How are you?
I don't know how I mean about the lock off, like it sees up.
Oh.
I don't know what happened to it.
Oh, Babes! Yeah. Go ahead, man. You start back, man.
I just want them buy them lock.
Just what I'm broke down already? You know I'm up on the road there?
Yes, one go, but I try out here so we just have to walk on my.
Yeah, but didn't I tell her to take on the car? Didn't I take on the car already?
But I'm not by food.
We say 31 to
You
you.
me can't do then something and him come on out here.
No, Olivia, that's what I do. What I do. When I come back, me talk about that. That's what I do with that deal. Go on, please. Yeah. So, fix your work, man. No? Go ahead, when you're done with you, yeah?
Alright.
What's that name of general?
No, so I can't work with you still.
You know what I'm saying? I'm a girlfriend, me, I'll give her one check still, you see me? And me, I say, me just take a time out to come meet my brother-in-law, you see me? Because my sister always tell me boy, and I'm a general, you see me?
Yeah, man, she don't tell herself a boy would touch a strand on her front.
Yeah, man, I tell me say I love you and them things, you see me? And I rate the movement, you see me? Because right now, I'm secret down to you, I'm a general, I feel my woman, and as I say, and she more touch back and go link, because it's a girl, man. Easy to get big fan and things, so I leave her alone steward.
No, man, that's your sister, man.
No, man, are you my calling, man? I don't meet my brother-in-law and them things, man, you see me?
Oh, can't privacy me not good.
No, man, are you my calling, man?
When sister and brother talk, I don't really want to hear what go on.
No, man, you my calling, man.
You say if a man...
But we never get a name, though, my general.
Can call me KK.
KK.
Listen to me, man. When we say KK, don't follow what we say. Just call me AK. Right, KK is just a sign of murderation. KK is my name.
But me I show up still, because I don't have to my big sin here. Hold on. Alright, yeah, man, alright. Here. Sister, we link here.
Yep.
Alright, yeah, man.
No, listen. I didn't go know a while ago. I'm going to go tick up because if one of your brother, it's one to pronounce tonight.
Here I know. Jesus.
Look at
You're so jealous.
Look, from you see me put on my Super 7, left and right. You should have known it was killed them.
You're too jealous.
I'm not jealous. No man nothing. Pluck your feather.
I'm
No,
a brother.
no man nothing goes up.
I'm a brother.
Oh, one question mark though. How you so brown and him black?
Because he found a black.
I want to sound strange what you do. Not to look for colour from your mother. Alright. Your father was a real marksman then, man. Him father a real marksman because he carved him up perfectly.
Of course.
So yeah. My second really gone tonight. You know, like up on the roof. I'm gonna go mash up your bed tonight. I'm not talking about that roll. And my second come like I want to go pop this way.
Come in, who that?
No, what's going to say, I mean, man.
How are you? So you are dealing.
You are dealing. Yes, sir.
Yeah, chill up and take it up. That's a long time, I'm gonna say.
You know, something I like how you be a friend, what do you do? When you tell me say you come down, you can't do. You tell me say you come down here. You left me up a line of a town. And say you come down here to get a better life for me and you. You see me? You tell me say the man have money. The man full of money. and you know you card. And me can't believe say, now you can't give me a money. You say you have a card, you all know you can't put 100,000 in my hand from where you get from the man. Where don't you do?
Alright.
Me no know, I fall in love.
No be, nothing.
I want 1 million or 1, 2 million right now, you know.
Alright.
I can turn that in all 30 million. I skill like that and I can make use for the 2 million.
Alright.
I want some money, you know.
Okay. But anyway, if I know it's me take care, then a problem, you know. The code fees are 30. You see me?
Alright, so you what going on now? I link my virgin, you see me? Because I have a virgin we can take off whole lot of money off a film card and put it on my card. You see me? So, I'll do it fast before it come back.
Alright then, go ahead and come back.
Alright. 30.
Yeah, man.
What about baby?
Yeah, no.
What?
Yeah, I'm just boring.
I'm not in here. Something come.
Yeah, welcome.
What else you could have put up there, sir?
Oh, the card. Sign it up there.
Come here. Come. No one people here. Stand up like this, come. What there?
Oh, God, Jesus, be man, I'm like,
You up there?
no. What be? You take copy?
Okay. Take off it now.
Be you need to I forgot to put it back up there.
That's what I talk right. That's what I talk.
You have to look at your boss. Me say sure say not put it no way.
Who come in here?
Me. Only somebody come in here is just my brother. Maybe the worker man come in here or something.
What the worker man come in here come do? Fear the worker man. Fear him.
I don't understand what going on in here. So how come you can't just go and lock us up?
That's what I know right now.
Let me stop me here. You need to stop her. Let me stop her. Oh God, B, why y'all looking at me here? How can you fit in me here?
You want to stuck something in them woods that one in it.
No, seriously. You're sure still not pick up your card?
If you ask me to show one more time, just ask me to show one more time.
That's it.
Yeah?
You see me now?
You don't see?
No.
Alright, Noah. You see that morning? Got 2 soldiers with you.
Sister!
Yo, I pray.
Relax.
I'm coming. Brother.
Yep, get on.
Follow me.
One.
One. No friend, man, no friend. Come here to check. You have to make sure we check. Come here, I sit me on the phone right now. Call him. Your sister said.
Sister,
Nobody said that in our last in card. And there's something there with treasure in.
What can I tell
If your head look fit.
Yeah, but me not look fit.
Me head chill off right now. That's something important to do right now.
B, you're sure say the worker man not coming in no time when she had day out, they saw do something more.
Listen me. Me don't want to hear about nothing about no
Yeah, go over there.
You're free, man. You're free. Check, man. Check. Because a true somebody is coming in. Alright, you know what? Leave. Nobody will search at them. Leave. Just leave. No want to talk to nobody yet. Just leave.
I can't turn about that one way now. Come back.
I mean, say leave. You know, I'm not going to wait till the morning. Hold on. I'm going to lock down that car. Hold on. What? 2 million?
Really?
You must be mad. Alright. Lock down that car. Oh yeah. 2 million. For no reason.
Hello, hey, stop this. Where you thief bossy money for? Eh? You feel somebody know say you do it? Because other day when time my girl tells me to help her move furniture them in her house. And you are the only one going at the house. You are the only one going at the house. And I'm happy you. Because I see him furniture where girl tells us if you move. I see him place the same thing did there. The credit card did there.
The thing me do, I'm more help her move furniture them. Me never see no card. Me never see nothing. Me never take no money.
Hello, remember sometimes bossy there tell them the card number and they are set out load and you did hear. You did hear when time bossy there tell them the card number. So are you thief you can't tell me nothing.
Muda still a walk, muda only walk home night. Muda drive or muda the bra with some girl. Me not take no money so me no want to come compete nothing for me and blame nothing for me. Cause if me did thief then kind of money, muda still a walk. Muda still a walk up and down and walk a people yard and see me just come up and people them dirty walk. My girl, better you move out of me go. You hear me tell you?
I'm not going to stand up. I'm not time to argue with you. Just wait. That's what me I going to do. Watch what me I going to do to you. Yeah, I going to do it next time. Just watch.
Can't see what you want to say, yeah.
I'll take my time and go. My time to look in your face. I know that try something, no boy. That's friggin' true. So sturdy. I'm sorry. Outside. Oh. And if the boy then not come pay money, nah, sit down out just a whole day now.
Oh.
You may wait 1 month. You tell me say you can't collect money today.
No, money no come from you.
There you know. So you could have walked, let's say, you know, where you walk around me. Some 5,000 billion a hit as well. That's why you see kind of look too, you know, a little bit.
Alright.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Alright. See you now, check your money. Alright, go on. No, you can't go on.
Alright.
You're checking quick though. How much I get in a math at school?
Go on. Yo, me talk to you. What go on now? You get the part, don't you?
Yeah, man.
Alright, you done tell him how to do already, you know. Call the uncle on the phone, me talk to you. Because me and him go to school back in the day. Call him. Nah, man, I virgin, man. I fire, must have we go to school together, you know, man. Yeah, man. I mean, watch here, man. I interest everybody good in the ear, man. I'm here in the place today, because you're going to fire, you know, daddy. Yeah, but different though. You see your nephew, a good youth, you know. And him knowing a known badness, right? And when I think we mash up my country, you know. Everybody gone overseas and we there still a wallet, you know. But here one now. You have police are growing and look for every bad man. Right? There's nobody going around looking for the people that's doing good. And you're never the good, because right now, him start on work a thing. And him able to save some local money. And him a look forward, he want one vehicle so he can start, move around the place and can go work at some place and expand in business. Then he say he want to go to a restaurant. You understand? So some of the time you need a break, daddy. You understand me I say? So as a big man I talk to you now, but I love you give that youth your strength. You see, you never give my strength. You could hear say, I bust some head out and I do some different things out and do it, I do something positive, daddy. So more I reach out and just say, youth, alright, check up on the youth, daddy. Because I say no father and mother you have to take care of me now. You know this all the system good on our one. You know what I mean? So it's up to you now. You're over there, you're strong, daddy. Help the youth out. If you make a deal with him, make sure it's a youth where reliable, you know. Because him there work with me and he show me 100 and I say them trust one worker give him. And he work and pay off the worker and get the worker and run the worker till he have certain amount of money. But he want to get a vehicle, so I tell him say, yo, if he really do that, would have give up our tax said we. Yes, so you animal a reason, man. And so what kind of vehicle you want, make him get it, daddy. Because end of the day, it's good for strengthen the youth them. But then can push forward and advise them and give them the right way. You know what I mean? Because there's the wrong way out here. I'm gonna like the wrong way because we not survive it. We kill each other for we don't know for what. So there's no good life living when someone is dying. You know I'm not lying. Yeah, but I'm saying it's not like a music me I do. No man, the music a real life something though. Real out here. Yeah man, in there man. Yeah man, yeah, I'm can't reason man. Because on the road me I go see me, I'm just him tell me say boy and collect a piece of partner money. So I show him money. So yo, you carry money there, but lock your yard, put in a look bank account. You open the bank account with up money, right? Yeah man, see you to do the right thing man. So talk to your uncle, tell him what you want to deal with, and then him go start. Good, yo, uncle, remember saying no daddy? When we are running road back in the days, you know, we don't do no foolish, you know. So we know you go. Alright, talk to your nephew. Yo, Mary Link, you know. But talk to him, man. Talk to him, right? So see your nephew, yo, talk to your nephew, man. Come here, I go up on the road deal with something. See it? Yeah, man, talk to your uncle, man. You're willing?
Yeah. Uncle. Yeah. You know, say I did one little movement with you want to buy one little, you know, one little pick up or one van or something. Yeah, man. We just want something we can move around, you know. Can walk in and go forward. Can walk and go, come back home, go again and come back home.
Yes, Ja. Oh, see my friends, them looking for hope. While I'm looking for hope. See my friends, them looking for rope to hang me. But my friends, them gonna hang themselves, Ja. See, I do them nothing wrong. So I come forth with a song. My friends, they're gonna hang themselves.
That's that.
What go on, bad boy?
There, man.
Where are they live?
I check my phone, check you.
They are chanting one thing, you know. Go more right here, see it? Where are they live?
There, man. Check me, come check you still.
Let's see how go on.
What the person?
There's a deep plan forward, you know, but here we are still. Where's you going on?
You know, say still differently people come check up and still, you know, so my uncle let me get a piece of food.
Where you say uncle send the money?
No, you know, send it. I think something for just find the car more and anyway transfer money to the dealer or whosoever.
Alright, so you have an idea. You see a vehicle you like already?
Yeah man, I think I want van, I see. I really like it, so I want to get it.
Oh, you see a van you like? Look at the van there though. Go check out the van then and things. So check out the van then. You can't drive?
No, I have to teach me.
So I say I go on.
The vehicle good, man. I want to tell you some just service here and thing. Yeah, oil you want change, and them a say a little thing there. You need to change the transmission, the oil filter, and the transmission and thing. Brother, don't worry yourself, man. I your vehicle, you know. What happened to your vehicle? Yeah, right. I may have that for look about too. Yo, don't worry yourself, man. Your vehicle in a good what? Good hands. Alright. Yeah, man, don't worry about, man. That them little minor thing that me deal with them myself, man. You understand? You understand? Alright, me get back to you. Yeah, man, big up yourself. Alright, my virgin.
What you say price?
Stop talking about price again. I mean, I talk about price already. 2 mil, man.
2 mil?
Yeah, 2 mil. Oh, yeah, Robert China. First, you hear 2 mil?
Alright.
Me ask you a question. I never tell you 2 mil before.
Yeah, but you know, my uncle, I go wire money to you. Today. Right? But he might give me 1.7. But me, I go something there. I go work some work and pay a balance.
You pay me $300,000 out of waka work?
Yeah.
You make money off a waka work? Waka.
That's right, I get 1.7.
Ah,
and
yeah.
just pay off the balance. Yeah, man.
Alright, I tell you before you even do that, you know, I make you know this straight, you know. You can't give me $1.7 million for my vehicle and expect say you'll get the papers them for it, you know.
Papers? Don't worry about papers, man. No, who am I do papers?
What do you mean we do papers?
Don't worry about papers, man. I call him and make a talk to him.
Alright. You know, now I tell him about the papers because they don't tell you that already, isn't it?
Yeah, uncle. Yeah, the vehicle I said me did want, me go to the dealer. When you talk to him.
Yeah, King. Go on, man. No, man, I'm not really a dealer. I don't even know why I'm using the word dealer. It's a one vehicle I have, man. A good one, man. Nice vehicle, man. Nice. I don't know if you can tell you. Yeah, man, I tell you. Zine, right. Oh, you want to get down to business. Alright, you want one. Alright. Alright. You don't have no problem if you send it like through WhatsApp or something. The banking information. Come here. Yeah. Alright. Chat back to your nephew then. We'll find this and make him send it to you. Zine. Alright, hold this. Yo, I'll give you information for sending. Some information, yeah? I have them right down in my notes and things, isn't it? Alright, see them, yeah? Send him the information. Alright. Brother, look what you're doing, man, and stop looking at your phone and type, man. Let me see this. Yeah, send it out. Alright, so what you know? We are going.
Alright.
So we are going to hang around until the money comes in, see? You don't have a problem with that?
No, man.
Man, I start going to build up some minutes and things. You understand what I mean? The first lesson I gave you, you know, watch out. It's a good vehicle you buy still, you know. But you have to understand, say, you have got to, you want to take 3 years to learn to drive this year. And so you watch everything, you keep your eye up on the road, right? Then you drive on a slow speed. That means you can control it. You control the car, the car control it, right? So, yeah, man, so we're going on now. You know, this is the stick where you control it. Like a gear stick, but you put it in a D for drive, right? R for reverse. You know what I mean? P for when you're parking. But you drive with 2 hands. Why? You drive with 2 hands. 1 hand for balancing. 1 hand must be leg and half hand at all, but it slide. The next hand, you understand? You will learn as you go along, man. So if you have a 2 hand, them just like the whole steering, not too stiff, but flexible enough to do what you have to do. Always up in the air when you drive. You understand? Pay attention. So as you go along, watch out now. But you drive about times when you go down, so you know, when you're straight. This is your first lesson. Alright? But you have a brake or you have a gas. You keep your foot mostly on the brake, not on the gas. Right? Do not speed. That's one of the things we tell you. Look how I start the car, right? So what you do now? Once you put your foot on the brake, you go in a park. Right? Alright, man. So nice. Put your hand the two hand on the stair. Alright. Where you go do now? Put your foot on the brake.
I break this.
Yeah, that's I brake. You want I brake. Alright now. So release the sitting over there, sir.
I'm good.
Take down pan and release, yeah. Alright now. So go in a D. So now what you do now? You take a time, you use your foot off of the brake now. You go move it, sir. You go foot off of it. Yeah man, take a time man. Simple man, just calm down, breathe easy. You know what I mean? You control it.
Oh yeah, the babes.
That is something,
Because I said they bad time for me again.
What you call time?
Come on, get on no time for me again.
Now, let me tell you something. We don't understand now. You don't understand. Right now, I'm afraid to give you my new card right now.
But B, I'm really my fault.
So listen, you see any bill you have to pay? It has to appear online. You see anything where you need, it have to be online. If a clothes you need, have to be online. If you feel like you want to plug a toothpaste, it have to be online. You're not getting my card anymore.
Like, seriously?
You know,
You really don't trust me again?
I know you want me to trust. Alright, look at it down here. The first card, Mr. Wait is.
I don't know, maybe I walk a man.
You know, alright, you know, I'm up on the Wakaman again. More talk about the Wakaman, I just want to go and bust off piece of head. Stop mention that name to me. Please. My head not good tonight.
See, I know time for me now.
I mean, relax, man. Relax, lay down. Watch your line.
So yeah, David. My day and a girl, my head a hot, my girl, I come out if you buy one pill, yo.
So yeah, stay so what? A long time I don't see a girl. Come over here, so. Now come over here, so I see it and everything.
Girl, if you know what happened, brother.
So you know the business you tell me.
Girl, I something that me have to tell you now.
So I don't know.
How him name again? You know the boy named Isaac. Yeah, I say me and him be there now.
I know that.
If I want to tell you what happened, I see like a pissy tail girl when I'm Ashley. Now him and I me catching a bed, brother.
So who this is driving my big vehicle here?
That me I say. Then watch here, Bob buy car.
Girl, no Bob, that is a waka man. A waka man that can can't buy a vehicle.
Wait there, Bob.
But
You're not telling me here, girl.
What happened?
what about?
Long time I see you.
Yeah, man.
Then how for carry this up?
I might carry now what them buy. My brother not teach me how to drive it.
I lie, then I will bust you.
See, I save and buy. I'm work hard. I get a loan from the bank. So I just buy.
Anyways, me did not say I want hardworking man still. That's nice to hear. You know, say I want a hardworking person though. I didn't know still.
But still, you know, say only one thing missing though. One thing alone missing.
And that is?
One missing, all thing missing, you know, are you know. Because from what some of my dreams are come true and I just see you alone now come true.
Well, that's nice. Some of your dream come true. You might not know what will happen next. Shoot a shot. And maybe you won't miss. Anyways, I go back down there to my friend go talk. It was nice seeing you again.
Alright.
Yeah.
Well, as you mentioned, I go try. Could you no buy another phone?
Your girl a film car, so me dey tell her, yeah, film car between same work hard and buy it, so.
People could have cut you out and buy a car, buy them a type of car there. I must thief money or something and buy the car. I don't believe that. I do not believe that.
I don't think him stay not like that, girl. Anyways, I'm going to kill. Alright.
Yeah, my youth. You soon catch it driving. Yeah, man, you soon catch it, man. Just not nervous yourself. Calm down. You see, you're kind of nervous when you see that girl, though. A girl is one nice girl, though. So you go, man. You see, once you have things in your life, you get good, man. I know that for a long time. That's why I have a good woman coming out of things. But proud of you, do it. Yeah, watch your patrol, watch your patrol, sir. Yeah, man. You soon catch it driving, man. You know what I mean? You soon get that girl that too, a nice girl. You see it? Long time you look at her. You see you get her now, though. So you go, man. Pull over here, sir. Evening time, I'll just drive around the place, me have some things to deal with. But do not go on the main road without the license. Just drive in a lane, back and forth. And always check the car, check the aisle, check the inside aisle. Just look up the engine and look in at it, man. Then go on YouTube and ask the car about the car so you can learn things about it, how to change the aisle. So check the aisle a man in time. You know what I mean? Alright, burn it up. Go on do your thing, man. Just drive go park in your yard. You end up parking. Take a time, daddy. Right?
Yo, bossy.
Yeah.
You know what boy, you know? You see, the walker boy, me see my drive a brand new vehicle. And I think I feel $2 million that I take and go buy.
What you tell me, see?
The great man that tell me, no, my man not tell me no lie. Where the money that tell him?
You have to really pay attention right here.
Yeah, burn it down to the ground. You know, you take a and you go the way down.
But bossy, how far really, you know?
With a far in, near, out, anywhere.
Bossy, don't take a time for reach.
It don't matter. It don't matter. I could have even 4 o'clock in the morning.
And you have to find it by the rum bar and in place where
No,
you
no,
can walk
come
around it. You're good by yourself?
No, I'm still here by myself.
Yo, call the brother, we can keep your company, you know. Because somebody got pronounced tonight.
Run on.
Hello, brother. Oh, if he's sitting out that was good, just forward over. Yeah. Alright.
See you last week?
Mm-hmm.
You can't sleep and you don't want to come.
Can you take too long to come?
Go even if you're asleep. You tired?
Alright. Yo, Bossy! Bossy! Forward, no man! Forward, no man!
Talk to me, man. I'm begging you, man.
Bossy, come up there, man! You know, some city boy, we are looking last night. I couldn't find him. You know, spotting there right now. Shh.
I'm taxi. Where's it?
The boy down the road are fixing vehicle right and up on the roadside. Right.
Don't hurt yourself.
You know, put on the right time, but we don't talk about.
No, I just take money though. I just take money though.
We're not talking about.
Yo,
I just take money though.
We're not talking about.
Bossy, I kill for kill that boy, you know.
I just have my money though. Eh? You have some money though.
This money.
Oh, I just money though. But if you could.
What's that? Hey, look, sir. Bossy, we're not done with him yet, you know. We're not done with him yet.
Listen, $2 million way to take off. I can't.
Absence.
Listen, you are the only man going out of my house. Help me woman move furniture.
Bossy, we have something to do. Kill him.
And take up my yard. And you're the only one in the world where you
Lefty. I be talk shot for you, no boy. You know me? You know me?
You don't know about no money.
You don't know about the money?
What me $2 million?
Bossy money there.
Which money?
How about the vehicle?
Oh, go on. Yeah, deal. It look like you're running up and down, so. How dear? What go on?
You come over say yes, I did down the road a while ago.
What go on down there?
You know say, me down on the road there and some people ambush me.
Let me say the ambush you. What go on?
Alright, me also like say, me also cut the yard for somebody, right? So he say me see some money. Because I did go in the house go help the man with something, so they assume say me thief for money. Which and me thief for money, me don't know nothing about the money.
But you know who them?
Yeah, me know who. Alright, you don't know you brown youth where go like in rich down on the road there.
Oh, the scammer youth there. Don't think my scammer.
Yeah, yeah, one bodyguard, one woman, one black girl.
One black young girl like.
Yeah. She same one. Two of them come down there. Yeah, them ambush me down on the road. A lucky thing say one ex-police and woman. Never say how the van me have, I feed them money me thief and buy a van.
Yo, crazy thing.
And he not done it.
When the uncle give money back, yo, the people them fooling. And them know say hard working youth. But alright, me know them still. Some of them won't link that girl there, because I know her family them. But just get in contact with them and pull her one side and talk to her, make she know say, yo, your thing straightforward. You understand? So don't worry about that then, man. Everything good. If for them, simple mathematics that, man. You understand? You don't have to call your uncle and tell them. Me just deal with it. You alright?
Alright.
So go and mash up your work, man. So, how you look at Cathy? And you get her pregnant yet? Eh?
No, so no reach yet, but that come on.
Do it though. No wait. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So, do it, man.
Work your magic.
Chop me a chop me, but when the time right, don't save and plan feed first though, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah, man. I'm not thief for work, you know, so I'm not thief for work. I just brush out, I'm looking at it, so I'm stall up, you get the job for cutting.
Alright, man.
Alright. What going? Yeah, if you're a girl cousin there, where the bodyguard. Yeah, cause yeah. Give me a number there. I've never reached your bodyguard. No man, that's some issue more start to that man. Alright. I'm bad. What go on? Maybe you don't know how we're doing, but at the Rasta farm back lane.
Oh, are you?
Yeah, from we are down in the gully part of the scheme, right? Alright. Me like say you just look bodyguard work for one day. I admire your potential. But me have a look generally where uncle just buy him one van. I mean, you beat him up a while ago and go fish. Kill him, you and your boss. But me I tell you, say, I mean, the transition go through if you can get the money to buy the van. So, enough your money use and buy the van. You understand?
Okay.
It's a hard working worker youth. I just worker working though, because he used to work with me as a second. But me can get a worker. So, I'm in same cut phone yard too. You know what I mean? So, I also come when I get the mix up between coming in the house. So, my time when money thief, look closer. You understand? Look closer to you to thief your money. Don't look for far place. Look closer to you. Look who they close to your pocket. Right? At them people that thief your money all the while. Who they closer to you. Not the one who they for. Your closest people you can think about. Alright? So, yeah man. So, it's a good thing you not kill him because that kill an innocent man if you not at all. Because the world go off of assumption. People assume. Let me tell you something there. I don't have enough time for talk still. I'll tell you one short story there. Enough people dead because of assumption. People assume wrongly. Things say, oh, him a hype. Oh, him get money. Oh, him rich now. That time is far from the truth. So, go into the story. Not judge from the book. Alright? Alright, no say a word. Continue to do what you do. But be careful. Man, hurt the wrong people. Alright? Alright, bunny down. I'll bless you deeply.
I'm afraid I want it.
Real high. Wait now, what a cool.
Stop going like.
So, you know, say first date might not be what you expected, but it's a good vibration still. River for the first date, nothing wrong. So I'm going.
I love it still.
At least do water too cold.
Then we're trying to make things so. Like some go one big boat.
No, really. Anyways, think about that to enjoy yourself.
So come on.
Hold that. Part one.
Go on and stop.
No, you live the maddest life, you know.
Maddest life, what I call it?
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Cool, man.
Young one. I mean, see him one man. I see him sister, you know, when I teach of a drive. She call and talk to you.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, yeah, man. Tell him, say you want a good woman, you know. Tell him, say you're a good woman, you see it, so. Take care of the general and general. Yo, take care of him. Alright. And about that liquor, you know.
Liquor, cool, I see it.
Alright, so. Go and do nothing. We come off go well and swim and see me can. I not take no close swimming. I'm fancy me swimming and then go up and yard. But you good though?
Yeah man, I'm good.
So all the vehicle I drive good and thing?
Yeah, right.
All the vehicle? Yes, sir, now.
The vehicle. It's good. It has drive good so far. I don't see no fault with it as yet.
Alright, yeah man, so go and do nothing. Bless up. Burn it down.
Well.
Mama, how does up here and mean? Let's up here, I know what I mean.
Don't worry about that.
Yo, you gonna have enough girl here, yeah. Go on, go through. That's what I mean, woman galore. I'm not involved in a rasta.
What's up, nigga? Yeah. Come here. Who touched you? Fast, you know.
Your bodyguard, me not like her, you know.
What do you mean by you don't like my bodyguard? My bodyguard did it from day one before me even know you. So what she do wrong? My bodyguard is the most trusted loyalty one here. So what happened? Why you not like her? What she take for you? She take your man? She definitely don't want me, so why sense? She's my partner in crime. Come on, man. Behave yourself.
She'll take money and them something there. And not even realize that she'll take the money, but say, she'll give you one and them. Can't understand me, you know.
From you know my bodyguard, she never thief. Nobody money. She won't even take my own money once let me now cut the money then sometime. She don't do that. Go on. I can't believe that right now. Until I have proof, that's the only way we can fire her. Oh, good. I'm glad you're coming time, you know. You know what's happening with me, bro. I'm going to be here somewhere for me.
Alright.
Alright, so take care, yeah?
Alright. Alright. Wrong one. There. Oh. Alright then. May I go this way, yeah? I'll clean up this place here. I'm very fridge dirty. Brittany, come here. Listen. Go in your boss pocket and look if I say $5,000. Take out it and bring come give me here. Just do it right now because I can't get to do it. I'm gonna do something right now.
Alright then.
Alright. Alright, fine.
Boss, come back there, so I'm gonna come here and need something.
Alright.
So forward.
Yeah.
Papa, baby.
Yeah, do some cleaning.
Nice, alright, man.
I know I said do me have something to tell you.
Papa, baby.
Yeah, do some cleaning.
Nice, alright, man.
I know I said do me have something to tell you.
What do you mean by something? Wow.
You know I said do they get the proof and you know because they're supposed to get the proof. Set the phone enough. Set the phone. I never know if this would happen, but top quickly that more than I expected. I'm gonna show the proof still which part mom will put the money. What's showing you? Someone did that tell her?
So, okay, alright. Where you want me to?
Fire, because you know, need to have somebody at work like you would stay, so that's not
Give me a phone.
trustworthy.
Give me a phone. Yeah, Ricky, I can't believe all along you take money and tell me. Listen to me, don't play smart, don't ask for this money, but we know. As a matter of fact, I see for myself. So you hear me I tell you, say, you're fired. Listen, until we know say you're right. So we can't believe my eyes, but I just say we have to do the right thing. Good. Yes, we have walk on the road.
Yes, so
And
I'm
something
gonna
come to pick up. Alright, later.
Alright.
Hello. The boss today.
You know the year.
In a year.
No, so some talk to what you do over here. Talk to what you do over here. You're not supposed to be over here. Boss in those fire.
You feel something know say you set me up? And you set me up and make me get fired. I don't do nothing. You tell me take out the money and give me take out the money and care for you. If you go tell lie for me now.
It's alright. Well, all me I said, you know worth it to be as in bodyguard or whatsoever.
For yourself, you know, because fear they come. Who laugh last, laugh it best. That's all me I try to tell you. You stay there. Fear they upon the wheel.
Oh, go on. Where are they, sir? Where are they?
There, man. What me do you want to say still? You know, say my uncle, where they are fine, want to send the money for me buy van. You know, see where I say brother live? Between them, you know. If you see two of them right now, you don't know a difference. But if you see two, mother could look after two of them, she give you one of them. Yeah, so I ask and live, so.
The one that they give you, I saying there?
Yeah.
Come see Bridget all the while.
They are fine, but this one there, you know, to deal with family or something because you know to deal like a family. You know to call me nephew.
When somebody outcasts, they will react a certain way. So it's natural though if you feel away there, cause no, it's natural if you feel away there. I feel business that still. So anyway, cut me a cut on the road, no vehicle there.
Vehicle there, up the road there. May I tell you say, if you ever see them, you other thing say I see him somebody, then talk you see him, then dress you see him, never there to see him woman sometimes and woman not even know. Cause they, you don't know them different. You don't know who is who. I tell you man, I say you go.
Yeah man, so here we go on now. If I don't later teach you some more things about the vehicle. You check your aisle. You check your aisle and them something there now. Ensure that I run good. You check it when you drive it, ensure that you don't overeat. Watch your regulator, watch the dashboard. Alright? Anyway, that's some little things I take care of. How much of a thing? Yeah, everything in one piece, we see no bounce on nobody yet. You good though?
Yeah man, we good.
So how to drive?
Yeah man, I want to drive good man. I wash my go wash here now.
Well, cause it does if it's true. We don't say time does here and dry here now. So I go on differently. I don't see you for our day. Look at you, me teach you the first part, right? And you know, check me again to give you my lesson. But anyway, for you learn that I agree this thing, because some learn to drive too, you know. For teach me one thing with the time I learn. Right? So for you learn that are the key. So everything good otherwise though.
Yeah man. Say now see me you know. Me and the same slim girl there start date now. What day she come on my yard. Go sleep and thing and me and her just did it. And they are trying to catch on from driving more.
Well, see, everything will fall in a place. See, the now. But be careful. You know what I mean? You know, tricks in the game and things. So, remember, say, you know, pull the pay off for the vanity, you know. So, you put on the bridging money, you know, but take the money where if you finish pay for the van. Give the young girl. Come and say the man still have the papers. Them. Come and what kind of foolish idea that? If I give you more than 50%, you have to give me the papers. You know what I mean? Because you have my money. You know what I mean? So anyway, you have to make a deal and a deal is a deal. So just pay off the money and get the papers and get everything up on. You understand me? Anyway, we do have a plan. Some things go for a crush off. Said we will go catch you on earth. Go check. We have some things to do.
Yeah, man, do well though.
Just go and do the right thing, man.
Don't carry me, man.
Ah. You say I pay more money, more man. No, not right now, no money. I used to pay money and chicken. Yo, tell us something. See you go and grab them and so that I call. So, and you can't pick up. So you want to tell my price more, I left my things there. Oh, my God, sir. See, like I can't come back here.
What going Rasta?
Bunny down, what wrong?
You know, say something I asked about to look at you there where cut yard.
Oh, you like him? Can you give him a drive car now?
No, I don't like him.
Oh.
I ask you to carry my drive.
I tell you this same thing what do you want to ask me, right? So I him car. You like him? I must like you like him though, because I know say no you have car, I know say you
But
gotta rush him.
that's not the point.
Oh,
As a worker, you can't come by if you buy that the vehicle there. Expensive vehicle like that, you know?
Is a youth like he have ambition. And uncle buy it though feel.
Oh, your uncle?
Your uncle a foreign man, you youth have uncle a foreign people them you know. You can't dare them man, you have foreign uncle.
No, me alright, me don't want
Your uncle buy your car you know.
Me good. Me a good on you say here.
Yeah man, do your thing.
Me a good on you say here.
I will tell him say you have a secret admirer. You and him will match. Long as you not name out him money. You are not.
Round in. Ideally. Oh, that's one. They are make a pass through, you know?
Right now, I want boy more go check. You know where my deal with right now.
Where you go program say now?
But this one, up so me I go. If you give me one piece of money, me want it. Up so you live.
Ah, just do your thing. Remember I sitting there, man. I remember to think about you, yeah?
Yeah, man, that there. So who him to you?
I'm a good friend, you know. Me and him live up so. We live come from the same place.
From the same place? But you know, so this a youth, yeah. I'm a boss, woman, brother.
What?
My boss, woman, brother.
The youth don't have no woman or sister. I be a brother that the youth they have. So you talk about.
Be a brother?
Me and him live, we and him come from the same lane. Romeo you talk about.
Give me a talk.
So you can't talk about sister, you know.
Never
sister.
mind. Go on. So which way you go?
Hello?
What's it?
Yeah.
I don't say fire, but
What is the problem now?
Right. Now I come over and me go talk about it, but me need to tell you something before now. You see, I set your girlfriend set me up just because you know so me not really rate her like that. Because me not like how she and her brother move. But she say she brother. They have a family ram.
Alright, you only have to say now. You don't try to go on my yard, you know, come in the day now. So link me later in the night.
Alright.
Alright. I'm on a mission. I'm on a mission now.
Alright, now what you do for me actually?
Alright.
And I said, I love you and thing.
You know, some of plan to marriage, you know.
Yeah. And so I want to bring brother the day and thing. Then could I be a best man, you know?
Well, if that you want, that you get still because of your brother, we can't stop it. Family really matter, you know.
Yo, bossy.
Come in now.
Bossy, I have a mix up with you. You see the man, we think you're brother-in-law?
No, hold on, come straight. You man a family man, family.
Bossy.
Yeah.
Yo, bossy.
Come in now, man. You know, man, you're welcome.
Yo, me something to tell you. I'm not ready to come down the brother come out, you know.
What happened now?
Bossy.
You never see so anxious yet.
You see the man, the boy matter fuck with your feet say, are your brother-in-law?
That's how we come straight. Come down, leave.
Are the boner man? I'm a chat this and girl here.
Oh.
No. You want to see the now one. Now one brother share with a chat boy come every minute.
Me, that's a lie.
Me that a lie.
No, right now, you know.
Be from good source.
The kind of paranoid right now, you know. Somebody talk to me.
But I'm the biggest thing, bossy.
Wrong.
The man, the boy that I boy cut yard. I will go beat him up on the same thing. I was the boy with the vehicle drive.
Yeah.
And uncle send the money for him buy the vehicle. And a few money he use. And this a girl that take up and care go give him brother. Where you boy will say boy brother, but I'm man. I never am brother.
You have to like shoot him, baby.
Me go back.
Shoot him. You see, my second, nah, tell me a lie, you know, cause the PR good. Listen to me. And then, where you want to tell me, say? Are you a brother?
I'm a brother. I'm man.
Well,
no, me call him right now. Me go over here. Me go over here over the mother over a fool mother.
Hold on.
Over a boy mother yard.
What's a style there? Call him, but don't mention nothing about no brother. Just call him till he come over.
Alright.
Just.
Brother, I'm making come over here right now.
That's crazy.
You just come.
Tell me I'm really wicked.
Man, are wicked enough? Alright.
Wait just up on the phone before you say brother.
I'm truly nervous.
You're nervous, we don't know what I want. That's serious.
Come in.
Hey, baby.
Hey, baby! Huh?
Wait just say.
Baby?
I'm going to start again.
See what me tell you about it?
So, you want to tell I said.
No, my sister.
You are sleep with a sister.
No, mistake.
You know what she tell me, say? You know what she tell me? Alright, you say your sister, not you?
Yeah.
She confessed that you like sleep like this, so you explain it.
You know which bed?
This bed.
Me and sleep in that bed there?
Yeah, love.
This night.
Yeah, you must smile.
Listen.
Man, I'm not going to find you can't buy.
Where you are one now?
I'm sister.
Listen to me, I ask you one more time. Where you are woman have? Where you are woman have?
Shut up!
She tell me to do it. Tell me to trick us and my brother. No. You know what me and her from town. And she come down here and say you want to live better life with me and him.
And you come here at the time and you want to have food and me give you money and
she tell me to do it.
That's what
I never tell
you. Me and her 3 years now.
You see, when you make me beat up a young youth. Think of him thief with $2 million.
Before she needs so.
How much $2 million go?
It's $2 million.
Palm the card, how it go?
And then get her take your money and give him. And she take your money and give him. I enforce it.
Okay,
Wow.
so you want to give a card?
No, maybe I know about it.
What do you mean by you don't know about it? Listen, you know what? Sit down over there, sir.
Sit down.
Sit down over there, sir.
I don't know about it, yeah.
We say sit down over there,
Sit
sir.
down.
Sit
No,
down.
I'm telling
Sit down.
you. We don't tell you.
No,
We are not ready for a long time, you know.
How long now?
Before you are not even there, now when you come in here, me and her the same. I come in here, I want better life for me and her.
Sit down, sister.
I know my sister.
Sit down, sister.
I know my sister.
Because they always tell me they are big hole, they dig too, but it look like say a tree.
So how we do now, bossy?
Hold on.
Sorry.
That a coming place. That one, I'll give him a chance. But you know what? Listen, right now, we have to tell you the truth. That is easy. But we have to be a fair guy. A simple guy. Look, you listen to what I say? You're not going to leave here tonight. You.
I'm a girlfriend now, you
Shut up!
Listen, if you're talking up, my money value more than your life. You see me $2 million in thief, double. 4 million. Whether she or you, 4 million. Take her to the warehouse. You last one first thing I saw.
Who will have that?
No, you want
Come.
Listen.
Me lock up him first.
You want to know how she get it? Go down to the bank a morning. Borrow it in her name. You see the house where your uncle buy you. The mansion they borrow it with it.
Get up, no man. Yes. Boss me like, we don't have these people in, no man. Come on, man.
Come on. I remember, you know, if you pull no police count, and I come with my $4 million, me a kill it, and you know that you easy to find. Me not only going to kill it easily, me going to start from the two of them.
Bossy, me can't take all these people in, no man. Go in there.
Put a bullet in her foot, show them something to you.
Shut up on the finger them too.
No, leave your finger, you only need to go. Sister, no. Sister,
carry
no.
Come on, man.
You're not sleep out there tonight. Oh. Come, move it. You can't sleep out there tonight. You can't believe it.
Love that.
I sleep.
I said you must see me love doing a bossy.
Can't no, this
Come
is
on, look a witch.
a
Look a witch.
I started to shoot off in bumper, you know.
Watch you know. It's right there, so. You know what I say? Would that be a good spot to plant it? You understand? No, yes, so would that be a good spot for planting? So nobody never expect. You see, it's all if we go some woman clear out the whole house and plant it right there, so. As long as we have surveillance on it, nobody can know.
Okay then.
You understand? A picture you take?
No.
Oh, you can't take picture of video where me after this, you know. What you think? Come on, your opinion. What you think?
That's a good one, that's a good.
One good looking spot, not you?
Yeah.
You sure you don't say it because me I say it?
I want a good spot for children to me I look funny.
Yeah, man. So you're going to do. Don't get you to deceive them to plant them up. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
Well, make sure you don't have video, you know.
What one cousin?
What program?
My day, man, good.
Yeah, I'm going to hold them, you know. Yeah, what one?
You know, so that they send me to you. You have to say if everything alright with the vehicle and thing.
Oh, yeah, man. Fix your start out thing. When tell you when I come?
Yeah, man, I come down soon. By end of this month.
By end of this month?
Yeah.
By end of this month?
Yeah, like this month.
This month, and this week?
Yeah, I come down.
Mm.
Hope everything alright with you, you know?
Everything good with the man. You know go already, you know. That's all. You don't send the money.
No, sir.
You don't send the money.
But that's sorry, so I can't drive. That's not a problem.
You don't say you could have drive? He's a little liar. The amount of time, me see you drive already. You don't say you never have a license. License, you say you never have. You laugh. License. But now like that, man. Anyways, you go, you understand what I mean? I'm glad I have a little opportunity to have it up a place. So right now, I have it service the thing. Because I want a little nice under the AC compressing business where they say compress air. Something like that. So by the time forward in, man, in a good speak and span condition. See?
Alright, later, yeah?
Yeah, man, work your magic, man. Big up yourself.
Aye.
If you tell me what come on the van and enough for you.
Something nice. I make sure you're not going away with that, man. Me have a right solution for that. Don't worry yourself. You feel mind your own business. I make sure you're not going away go say that.
I'm not going away go say that. I just say it to you.
Yeah, but don't worry about that. That's for me worry about. Not for you worry about. You take up your business by your head.
Okay then, sorry.
Boom bang, Romeo. What going on, warrior?
Boy, I'm telling you, there you been stressed out, man. You would.
Yeah, what going with it?
No money at all. I tell you, I'm running out of liquor. Business, what do you have to pay back some money? Isn't me, you got no broke now.
No, bro.
People are not dinner tonight, that me I tell you.
Jaja. And what you do with yourself, brother? Eh?
You know, some other good things not going through away. My girlfriend, they would want to reach you, doesn't me? Take off some money and give me, and they would end up finding out come there play a better role. You see me, I mean, I have to collect some money, and he would end up finding out. You see me, I say, how much money I have to double it. Right now, I want some money, you have a stress out, that.
Why?
If you have some money, can lend me.
If me have some money, can...
People are dinner, you would.
Hold on. See if you can go and walk the place and see if you can find nothing inside. Alright, you're good, man. Yo, hear me I say. Zane?
Yeah.
But me tell you say I can find a way. No find a way. I can provide you with a way to make a piece of money where you need to pay me back.
Oh, that come. Me do any kind of work right now, I'm broken.
You there where you there? By yourself? Are you alone today?
Yeah, man, I'm alone there, man.
Alright. Yo.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Hey, I'm going to rub out somebody for me.
Oh, that.
Alright, hold on, me give you details, see?
Me there, you good and thing, don't
I go on if you can drive because my dream see me and you go somewhere and me I relax and you drive, so you have to learn to drive.
Drive? No, driving not for me, no. Me not even know nothing about the steering them.
Me teach you how to do.
I don't know what fan driving, fan when I drive reverse. Me maybe lick up in a something. I look how this
Relax
big,
a
me
bit,
can't angle it, man.
Come on. Just sit down.
Alright, so.
I'm not feel comfortable.
Yeah, that's alright. Let him kill Still good and thing, no. Alright, so how you say it gonna hold?
Alright, see first thing now, you have to make sure you see yourself. You have to make sure you are comfortable, right? When you're comfortable now, you have two hands for on the steering at all time. Put your foot on the brakes.
So which one I break? I'm tell some of
Brakes.
So which one I break them? I'm tell some of
This I brake.
Alright, so
This I gas. Don't use the left foot. One foot I use drive, not two. Take out this foot. Yeah, I use this foot at the boat. But the foot here, you dip on the ground. So you can switch from yaso to this, yaso to this.
Oh, alright, get it.
Alright, you see yaso now. P for park. R for reverse. Reverse in, we go in a neutral. Yaso now. ID for drive. So you put in a D now. Alright. Figure about that. When you put the pan the gas, it will feel kind of tightish. But when you turn on the car, it will go down, so it will feel kind of slack.
Wait there. Yeah, wait there. But what the 4 for?
Oh, the 4. The 4 is like if you want to change gear, you can put in a 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically that the 4 did for.
Understand now.
Alright, so basically now I say now, first you put your foot on the gas. Yeah, you have your hand on the steering, but just make sure say you have a good grip. Your foot on the brakes. Turn on the car. When you turn on the car now, you put it in a. If you go backwards, you put it in a R. If you go frontwards, you put it in a D.
Alright.
So you put it in a D now if you go forward. Take time and take your foot off and get the brake. You don't have to press no gas in it and automatically move off by itself. Right? So basically, if you just learn to drive and you want to drive fast, you're going to meet an accident. But if you just take it step by step, you actually going to catch on well. So basically, yeah, that nothing hard in driving.
Alright, so like what you show me now, one day.
Yeah, one day.
Yeah. Yeah, one day.
Yeah, man, one day more like wait, cause more one day, me can go on a far journey, you can drive some of my journey, you know. Me relax. When me drive, I relax here. More like when they are now, I'm more for do something else. I can just drive because I have to take taxi car, that a waste of money. More make shop me, I can drive, go make a shop and come back. So when you learn to drive now, I want you to do it like the driver's license and thing. So yeah, that more you have to do. So that's the reason why me a teacher, that I fully purpose why me a teacher to drive.
Alright then.
Since it's a driving basically hard, you have to just make sure so you catch on well. And you do what you tell what you was told. Sorry. So basically just that.
Alright then, that's enough.
Oh, and the next thing, hand in here so like wait. That's up. The hand. Basically that's the hand there. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so and the next thing as me I see it too, that's something that iron something over there so that a foot brake, right?
Oh,
so you stop now and you put your car back in a park, you step down on it, right? When you move off now, you step on it now and it will fly up back.
Alright.
Anyways, me carry you home. Come on.
Which Friday?
You know, still me up on the work. I go and brush down one little place. Out on the front of technical high school. Where I deal with?
Me just done be down in a house born. Me can't come out this Friday.
Yeah man, I can't forward. You just there brush down the bank inside in front of the high place or so.
Even for help I put in little guest in a walk man. Me have to come out there because I can't bother me alone in the house and I'm kind of afraid. You know them look away there.
You mean man, I can't fall man. I like see me I do nothing hard.
Alright then, I will come out. Just look out for me.
Alright. I can't give me trouble now man.
But me I tell us I'm not think me need to go see no eye doctor. I wake up this morning and I see properly. That's all you say, that's all you say. Yeah. Hold on, let me still call you back here.
Oi. Jesus Christ. Oi. Oh. Hello? Yeah, good morning. Is this from fire station? Yeah, me just saw a man lie down from the road like him dead. You mean by right up a front school like I say in front of school, man? Oh, me? Me not touch him. My business me I go about. So you must know if you don't want to come. You know, hurry up, you lie down out there like him dead, me say. Alright.
What do you know? Me tell him not to lick you, you know? Me tell him to not to lick you. Sorry about that, man. A relationship. When it hurt you?
Not like that, no.
What
You know you go on, man. You know here.
What go on?
You know you said them find Bob strangled.
I lie you tell me, man.
No.
Free waka Bob.
Yes, my Bob.
They find out who do it. Who they say do it? They know who do it?
Nobody don't know who do it. They only find it.
Oh, boy. I just say, I really tell you now.
People wicked, yo.
I'm grateful.
Him not deserve this. Him don't deserve this. Whoever do it, I fi go pay them. I fi go pay.
Alright. You just hear when I do it.
Of you always me down there and me see the crowd. I'm going down there, no him messy, brother.
Alright. Apache cat.
Yo, family.
Oh, go on, my general.
Yeah, man. Why I make it feel to then kill me nephew, you know?
Yo, you know, I know, I still not believe me, the whole information. And girlfriend can link me today night, you know. But they are pan a look at thing. Yo, I not even know what go on. Yo, me just, I'm virgin like that, and I'm looking you to me a guide, you know.
See that? Why? I don't know, but you have to go do something, you know, brother. We can't get the boy them who do it, you know?
We have to figure out how, man. We have to figure out how. Because you know, information work at Jamaica. We go know how. Somebody go talk. We go know how.
Alright, that sounds good. Because a couple months ago, me cover this, you know?
Yeah, man. We done sight it. Yeah, man. Any changes go on, we go short because we have a number. You know what I mean? Because I just a meditation there whole. Because the whole vibe just mesh up my meds, you know. Because a young youth, you know. Not live no life yet, you know. First girl in getting her life and in dead in to breed eye. So you're rough. Yeah, go and lock off for your deal. I go and have meditation. Now you take a pound a week, come give me an idea. Yeah, man. That go work.
I'm sure certain things already, so I'll keep in touch just now with you, you hear?
Alright, Apache.
Alright, bless.
Burn it down.
Oh. You know something thinking in Ivan though? Around somebody?
Anybody?
You have a key?
Key to what?
Ivan. Key for Ivan, man.
Yeah. And you are?
I'm Ivan, you know.
What do you mean are you Ivan?
I'm Ivan. Come and talk to you about yourself. It's not happening.
Come talk up to me. I mean are you Ivan? I don't understand.
My Ivan, man. You to say your boyfriend and me letting me know. Some paperwork saying my name depend on everything, you know. So I'm just link you. Look, have you check everything?
No,
No, what?
I don't understand this. I do not understand this.
The only thing you need to understand is name where they pan it, you know. And not for your name?
No.
No, man. You
You
want
say
man.
I did buy the vehicle, so I kind of confused or something.
Alright, we have to question. You buy one vehicle without the title? Just be realistic. Would you buy a vehicle without the title? When you buy the vehicle, you have to receive the title at the same time. You need to sign out or nothing. For sure, yo. I'm a virgin and then me here saying dead. I may ask you a question. If you have a virgin and you're letting me vehicle and you're saying dead, you don't come back for your vehicle?
No.
Allow me to tell me. Me just hold on pan it, man. No, nothing for hold on pan. I'm my vehicle. Yeah, you understand what I mean? Just go and take care, man. Me I grieve, see him. You see me, my condolences. Zane? Boy, come like it. Everything alright?
I did know, man.
Yeah, take it easy, though.
Yeah, man.
Go and take it easy, man. And boy, I'm sorry to hear that, man. But I hope you not take care of my machine and things. Zane? Yeah, man, respect.
I still can't understand. I never feel vehicle. This is a shock to me.
Whole barrage of righteous human in town, and we ain't giving up. No, we never gonna stop. No way. Say strength. Shape yourself, man. Because same to me, I try to sing some song and try to get myself back in. Because I know I can't believe some virgin dead for sure. You see it? Yeah, man. I'm there. You're good, though, differently.
Yeah, man. I know something I can check about.
Tell me what going on. What's the problem now?
I know I still can't believe. It's a shock to me. I'm confused, you know.
Yeah, man. The time. We're going to figure out how we do it. We're going to find out how we do it, you know. And how we do it, go get it back, you know. So don't worry about that. But so we're going to find out how we do it. But for now, I'm just going to go meditation. We go come. Yeah, man. We're going to find out where I go on, man. So what's the problem differently?
You know, I said I don't know yard, you see. I may get one call from this change number. I don't even know who. But the person said I'm supposed to come out of the vehicle, right? I'm going to go out there. I see this man turn up at the window door. I was wondering who this man. Him come up to me and say, a theme vehicle. I was like, how this possible? Shocked to me. And you know, Bobby, him never really said nothing to me about borrow vehicle. Remember, I buy him, tell me, say, did buy the vehicle. So I don't understand. He might tell me, you know, come on, show me paperwork to you know. Say a theme vehicle. He might take back key from me. I don't understand. Right now, I'm stress. I do not understand what kind of contract Bob did.
Don't worry about that, man. When I go to them, I call him uncle. His uncle don't know best because of them they do the transaction. You know what I mean? So don't worry yourself about it. Just get some rest and don't worry yourself about it. Everything go good. You hear me? Just go on home, relax yourself, man. Don't pressure yourself too much. Check your blood pressure if it's too high or anything. Drink some water, hold some rest. You know what I mean? Alright, so me talk to you. So somebody may wait for to deal with some errands.
Somebody pay, man.
Yeah, then go pay back for them though. Alright? Just go on home and go rest up. You understand?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Wickedness can't done.
Alright,
Take your
yes,
time,
man.
go on home. Yeah, man. Alright. There is a whole barrage of righteous human in town.
Jesus, man, I couldn't feel. Look here.
How do you look?
Right here, good.
Yeah, man. There, man.
What me not hear from sister? What? And what make me have to meet her around so look from slippers them.
Well, the sister good enough, you see me? Then just hold on pan her still, you see me? But no need to make no knives or call the police and tell them mother makes you stress out. You see me? There's some money issue running. That's the reason why I'm coming on up on a private location because I try to stay low.
What? Hold on from sister way. And what kind of money issue?
Alright, so I'm explaining you now. I remember I said nigga there where your sister they get set up and me and her play some mind game and I play like a brother business and them thing there. Your sister give me a card with the nigga money, you see me? And I find out say I may have a card kinda look for it and can't find it and me have it. I'm take out some money and fight and something. So you need to hold me and your sister, you see me, but me get let go. Me end up have to give him back the money when me take, plus me have to take out some money out of my account, plus it was so healthy. So the money will come through, man. Me have some look of money left for him, because I have to double the money. Me have some look of change for him, it will come through now. You see me? Because I did do one look of my son on my bridge one day, so it will come through, you see me? So my sister good, man.
I did tell my sister from the other day on the phone saying, you see that little game there where you want him to play, you know, safe. I did tell him, you know. But see that nobody not listen to me because my big sister will always overprotected though. Big sis, to be nice man, now do it with good and he not go find out, he not go this and see that now you have my sister. I expect me enough to go tell as a matter of fact, me not go tell my mother no me. Your mother have high blood pressure. And me try to tell her say, try get the money and pay them and make my sister get come at she yard. I mean no kind of foolish that you know depend.
Or yourself, man, your sister good. As me say, if you get one look of food and it all cover up everything, should we come back home from that the money they reach? Yes, me can then get half of their money already. That's one look of food left for them get. But they are still go and stay low, you see me, cause I really like a problem. You see me? So is everything good with the door?
Well, everything good with me still, you know. But you know say other day me kinda have a little eye problem with my eye. Cause sometimes I kinda see foggy, I don't know what cause it or whatever. But you know eye doctor don't road on, so that's true.
Yeah man.
Me I walk I go down there. You're supposed to know the sharp black youth will always grow on and cut people yard. Everybody love him in the community, man, cause he doing work good. You don't know that you there?
No, so I don't know him though, but me hear people that talk about himself say a good youth. To him.
Then now that me I tell her what happened to him, you know, man. Me I walk go eye doctor other day. And I hear Missy lie down dead on the sidewalk.
What you
When the walker in front of him, I don't know what happened to him or why, but me only know so they find him dead. And you know the worst thing about it? I mean, have to find him. You know all the thing me do? I call the ambulance and walk because me not get involved in them or something. So me I tell my sister that day, say, oh, be careful because the place around hot. You know what me start though? I never put my foot out the door. If I never call me more to come out. Look at mind game.
Yeah, I can't believe they kill the youth, but they never say good youth die young, you see me? When people see people elevate, then try to take them life. But me I go on all out still, you see me?
Yeah man.
I stay low. Your sister good man, don't worry yourself.
Make sure she good.
She good man. Me make sure know say if you heal her, isn't it?
Yeah, tell her if you call me or something. Or you call me and give her the phone, because I need to know say she alright and everything.
She go over man, and don't worry yourself, but just like the little thing there. The pay off
and get the people their money, give them.
Good man. How do you?
Yeah, go on with.
Over the side of me.
Now me I look on the place.
Oh.
How you look to you? You like it?
Yeah man, you're active man. How far over there?
I'm not sure but soon be mine. Give me a pay for buy it, don't it?
So you say I go and let's get down to business now man. I food me come collect man.
Fuck that papa no man. The what?
Food me come for collect.
You can't come collect it. Remember me tell you say no man that will take least a day for reaching the account, man. So by tonight you get it, man. By tonight you get it, man. Accounting, you know.
Yo, but me must have done show you my priority for you. I'm not too on money. Run out lower.
Lower?
You feel me?
I hear me, though. No, man. That all jump in the account. You get all of that, Zane. I give you $1,000, Zane. I want me a palm, man. Give me no, man. Drink a beer, man, and kick back, man. Just go on. You see me and clutch till that job there.
But me must work decent, man. Not evidence and nothing at all.
You do it, how we tell us when you do it?
Everything.
Wrap your waka card on your neck and just...
Everything good.
A bad boy. Work your magic, yeah?
Alright.
Soon on the place, sir.
Make sure I reach, you know.
It will reach, man. Cool, man.
Oh, I go back for my hand.
Alright, big up yourself.
Hold on.
Are you out of the gate for money or did you call already?
How you reaching there?
Front door never lock.
Oh, come in. You don't know what I'm talking about. Oh, one of this?
Yeah, man. So me take off the one?
Cut them on, move it, man.
Tell my girlfriend it.
Don't worry about she, man, just move it.
Me don't want you to trick me, and I want me game money, me say I want to come on. So get tired of me.
I'm a fear guy, I can't shoot you right there, you know. Just walk in a shot $100. Take her out. Oh, no. Don't make love yourself. You will shoot to them. Go on.
When you get the money, I know you're not business, I know what I do.
No, in my house. And my house is still in there.
Come along to see her.
Why is only in my house? Only liable to get killed.
Come on, baby.
Don't do that. I always see her again. You hear darling?
You can't see her again.
She not tell us that she's pregnant.
You're pregnant?
Not in my house. She not tell us that she's pregnant.
You're pregnant?
Man, then I after me give money, man, don't shoot her and run me out.
You not serious? Oh my God.
Oh God, I don't know.
Serious? How you feel doing something there?
I prank me that prank you, man.
So why did you make me drop down?
Sorry, man, I prank me that prank you, man.
Jesus Christ. I hope you're not doing something to me again.
I'm not do that again.
Just make sure. Thank you for bringing her back safe.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Thank you.
She not come back with it tonight, so I'm going to have to catch up on her. Anyway, let me go for me, please. So, what happened?
Yes, me I come go, man, on in here.
Alright. Love you.
Alright, we'll get to later.
Okay.
Alright, sister-in-law.
Alright.
Alright, bless up on yourself, yeah? Take care of her for the night, you know?
Yeah.
Alright.
What happened to you here?
Yeah, push up the door, you don't come lock it, yeah?
Yeah.
The man make the people in touch of me in our place.
I'm not here, Clay. Talk again.
The man make the people in touch of me in our place. Like, then sometimes put rock over my face, draw me with water, and then something there, electrocute me. What do you think I call?
So why you here there that me a talk about? Are you here?
Then put something in it and I just saw your color come afterward.
I'm sorry for you, got you here. But remember, I didn't want you, you know. But I tell you, say again, no safe. I never want you. I did tell him. And how come you manage to get caught, by the way? Are you always slick?
The girl when did have as in bodyguard, she just find out the information them quick.
Oh.
It's like if she didn't have
Well, we just got it there still. We don't really care about nothing else.
Yeah, I expect somebody go check out. There was a long day from work.
Yeah. Why? Just coming to a place, you know. Was flying last night, you know.
Yeah. So I needed.
Why? I'm not coming to stay too long still, you know.
Yo, my condolences if you never still, you know.
See there.
Cause I'm a virgin like that, you know. I tell her, you know, yo. I tell her, grieve me. I know me that you know how do it, daddy. Me I call for people what will go on. But
so alright, let me ask you a question. What do you think if you do? So you want an investigation or allow you make you do it?
no, like how me I done reason on the phone with more show the levels now.
Yeah.
When I did remember the money that they rich and non talk, for real, rich and non talk.
Yeah.
Yeah, that virgin there, him have a bodyguard now. I run a film ends, run a film block now. And then we get some money argument.
Yeah.
But we done tell them already, say, listen me, are you send the money come give nephew if you buy the vehicle? I don't know because I miss some money.
Yeah.
But my suspicion is we don't want to get involved in them, but I'm also in woman with a thief money. Keep on card and take some money and fight. So if they feel that through the worker man coming at the yard, they come and take the money. And we don't tell them I said that so them know if them really did that. Now listen to me and say and go back or kill them, I don't know. So that it. Then in the same period of time now, even the youth now we send the money come to buy the car. Tell the car for his girlfriend because his girlfriend did have the key to the car after him dead.
Yeah.
And the youth go to buy the key, the girl tell me say the man to the car come and take you with paperwork and everything, say no get no money for nobody. You don't give money.
Yeah man.
So that's one big issue said because you're paying. But we tell your nephew, you know, say, yo, not do no deal with the man unless the man get the paper, you know. Because without the paperwork, and that's the problem.
Serious problem.
So you never get the paper from the man, so the man claim at the car, say this, not one next mistake. You know, for him, that. So you kind of open.
You open.
So like, but we know the area where in our foreign.
Yeah.
So them type of investigation that you do. Still, some of us are everything for you, but make sure show you the line up. If you check them people there,
yeah.
you go get the information.
So sure, man. John,
yeah, man. Somebody feel
it. I feel hurt, you know, man. John,
because it's a hard work.
It's a good youth, you know, man. Anything me call him and tell me do for me, do it, you know. You can't tell me no, you see. So
tomorrow, man, the idea when the rise up,
yeah.
Because if you come off of the flight, no, say I want to take a rest.
Tired and I want to rest and I still.
So tomorrow, we just call me. I'm gonna tell you exactly what the virgin there when I live, and then we tell you exactly what the man with the van there. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because me have some to deal with differently. So you go work, bro. Just circle one of them and you know
yeah, man, I'm gonna circle them, man. I'm gonna check you tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get to rise up in that man because I'm on flight and one way, brother. Pia, Sinwala, Toronto. I put that. Yo,
we do the whole time, man.
Whole time, brother. So you don't know where you go. So me just go and go take a shower and go take a rest and we link tomorrow.
Yeah, man. Do that.
See?
Do that, man.
Yeah.
I can't say again, man.
Yeah, man. You do.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yes. Bonnie though.
Yeah, man.
Bonnie though. You good though. Come in now. What? Alright?
Yeah.
You look so shy though. You have New York for your chest though. How about the blouse again?
Fine.
Fine, come from? Alright, but what I see now, go and sit down and relax. Because they want new place I know. You like down here?
Yep.
Alright, well, you're there. Go cook some food and so you can go out now. Go and go cook. Spot everything there, go and go cook. But I'm not very happy now, you know. Alright?
Youngster from foreign.
Who that?
Where your boss there? Come out and me where you are. Where am I?
You serious?
Yo, don't move. Big man, where are you? Watch it. Don't move a muscle. Who you? What do you mean who me? Man from foreign. Youngster, see? Give me this. Give me this. Give me this.
Leave me back. Hello, leave me back, alone. Leave me alone.
Talk, man. Talk before we have a shoot. No,
but we have to shoot.
Listen, come down.
Sorry, no, it's boy, you ain't going now. Leave me back, alone. Leave me back.
Come on, uncle, listen now.
So what you mean? Me know what come on, I'm friend.
So what go on? We not deal with him like this.
No, we don't
What
do
you
that.
mean by
Look here. Work on money. We get to find out saying him thief the money and we end him good after that day. We
So
don't know
what
what
happened?
happened. We don't know what happened. You can't blame me, sir. We don't do nothing.
We don't talk about what do him?
Why something wrong with him? I'm not like how to deal with him, you know.
We know.
No, man. Me get find dance and no kill him, you know.
We not kill you. You want to come on here and talk?
No. I ain't never, right?
Yeah.
That the man that cut my yard every day, but what do you mean about misunderstanding? Miss some money and things are him. But me give him 2 lick, yes. But me could have killed him. But me didn't kill him, let him go. But me find out
who kill him.
I don't know that part there. But listen, me find out who thief my money.
Yeah. But more we see right now, more you put out the investigation.
So you hear me I say now? Just transfer $1 million in my account and me have to find out who do that.
Well, that can done. Straight up, big man.
Alright.
But more if you just figure out who kill me nephew, see?
No problem. What you do? Just put on the gun. Me I beg you, please.
Just relax, man. Because I don't want no blood shed in here. Because if you shoot me bodyguard, I will shoot you. So.
Exactly.
Well, I saw you go, well, I shoot, we shoot.
So, if I'm here, me just clear until...
Just figure it out for me and make me know. Or you can call me or text me. But when you do that now, you figure out who, I'm going to send the money come.
Alright.
You see what I say?
No problem.
Alright. That was, so I try to do top shot up back, you know, brother.
I know that, man, but listen around, we find out who deal with that.
Alright.
Cause me want eat, you want eat.
Yes, that sound good.
Alright, top chance, sir.
Yeah, alright.
I'm not eating. I'm not eating thing here. Alright, sir. We are going to find out who we
Where does that
Just but easy, you know, boss. Easy. Are you first starting about eat? Anyway, we not chat about that now.
See.
We are going to deal with the matter here.
Back in
We are
our
going to
face
deal
now.
with him. Top shotters are back.
Straight from Toronto,
Alright.
see?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah.
Big up yourself.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, big up yourself.
Escort what?
Alright.
Yo, I don't think we can bother with it. No. Starter always give me a problem. Whew. Can't find a piece of iron and nothing. We start there again. Judge no start. I want, sir. You can't give me a hand here, sir.
No. Give me car key, brother.
Which car key?
Give me car key.
No, I know car key this, sir.
Where car key there?
How kind of robbery this?
What do you mean?
I know car key that one. Hold on, see car key. Different key this, sir.
Give me car key.
See the listen.
You sell me nephew car and take the back car back on him.
Oh, I see him out there.
Yeah.
You know, say, you man say though, you can't point it down.
No, I can't point it down, but keep it on you.
You know, say, if I'm evil, they my van though.
So, you this, you this,
man, I'm a virgin, man. Me don't call him and give him back his money, man.
Well, do something, wire back your money. Just put back your money, send back your money to me account, yeah, man, or something. You know what I mean?
So, move that now.
Alright. Go on. Send back the money to the account. To the phone.
You get back your key to, you know what I mean?
No, well, no, do that first. Send it on first. You know, we can check my phone and we can send it back to my account.
So, I know I get back your key.
You get back your key.
So, give me all the key?
No, you can't hold the key until you do that first.
I'm hold half I key and you hold half I key.
Just do that and you get back, you drop the key and you go and you take it up. Send back your money.
So if you drop your keep on the ground, I turn no shoot.
No, I'm not shoot if the money come back and me check my phone. There's a honest man, I work them way the brother. See? So if me get back money in the account, you get back your key for your van. See? So run it.
Yo, me all say man, jump out star. My brother in there, man.
Yo, I'm going to find out who killed my nephew, you know.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah. You find out who, man.
Alright.
Yeah, man, you find out who, man.
I want to know. I'm quick too.
Yeah.
Last time I want to wait no long time.
Yeah, man.
Straight up. That's what I say.
Well, no transaction on the phone, I'm not even sure which one I name them.
Yo, I never get now and go sign, brother. And how you tell me say you never get no money from him?
Yo, you know, say, a joke, I tell you, say, all that a joke, man.
Man, you can't take this thing for joke. I don't joke thing, you take people money and it's like, you know what I mean?
No, man, a joke me that make with him, man. I give him back his money, man.
Well, send it to me then.
I hit me a do, man. See there, I hear
straight up thing, man. On joke thing.
But here, man, he send, remember, when I send me, take you up the next day if he send.
Yeah.
See there, I send off to you, you know.
Alright. Let me check my phone.
But you know get the same time.
No, get the same time.
Yeah.
I'm going to wait over. How long will it take to get it?
Put it tomorrow before you see it, man.
So you have to give me you want to give back your key then?
Yeah, man. Just give me a key, man. Respect, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Just finish and start. I'm try to do this and start.
My phone. Well, give me a key.
Bossy, you hungry?
Don't worry about it, we gotta go to eat now.
Try for somebody else, so.
Check on.
Who is that? I got Chata!
Bring him in. No, put on your plate in.
No, man, I'm never happy for no man because me have to protect myself, you know.
Yo, we know
I trust nobody, you know.
Listen, we know a long time, you know, so we don't need to job no more again. I just see you approach me the wrong way, but me have to job.
Alright. So yeah, I want to wire off the money. Depend on this phone here to my phone. See there, take it and do it. Because you're all thief, you know, from a long time.
Simple thing for crap, man.
Alright.
I put in your account number and just deal with it. Everything out of your account?
I just want back your money when me send come. That's all.
Alright, simple thing. One sure. Alright, so.
No, hurry up, man.
Well, I have to send something for myself.
No, man, that's, you hurry up, brother. You have too long, brother.
Check your phone, check your phone. Wow, we hit the jackpot. I'm glad you find that phone still.
Alright. There, man. There, you see.
Alright, no left in your account. Well, you know alive.
Indeed, have you shoot
nice. Remember check out it.
Have you shoot him, have you give out 3 and 4 in your face.
I didn't have 100,000 from take off your back.
Take it off.
Alright, you don't need. You don't need the phone either. So I don't need some of that. That's where I'm going to some police not chill.
Alright, done.
Alright.
See? Everything level here, so then.
Yeah, we're level, we're
Square. Alright.
Yeah, that's what you do behind me.
Yeah. I'm 50 million, we just take off for myself now.
25 with me?
No, maybe a 10.
10.
Yeah, man.
I 15. Bossy, 15, bossy. Maybe every day we do a bossy. 15. I take
Alright. Free ask because you're willing to get to me, no problem.
Yeah. I'll give you 20.
But I'm still go on.
Alright.
Well, take and go do what you do, you know. I have high wishes for you, you know. The one thing me I tell you, say, when I go to the office and I work in the office, them, you can't so shy. You understand? You can't so shy. You can't so shy. You don't get them go beat you bad if you're shy. You understand? So, but anyway, you have a bright future ahead of you, you know. You understand? You have a good... I'll go on, my general. So, what them say? Why? We have to just shoot on boy them just one. We can run back some money, but we don't trust the boy, so we have to just come link a man. And the man just put back the money with them for the vehicle. Oh, so on the phone, so get back my money and all. So no bad man find out how the kid in that door. Okay. No, and they might put out an investigation and see how kill my nephew, you know. But you have to go back now then. You have to go back a foreigner now. Alright. But you want, but we want to hold the vehicle to the forward then, man. Yes, man. Yeah, man. But we definitely want to find out this because it's the hard work in you. Yeah, man. Yeah, I tell us, my vex, brother, I'm coming out here to them. And don't me never, brother. It's like, boy, rough, daddy, rough. Yo, I true, you know, man. I want to find the boy I do it, you know. But you come down for funeral? Yes, I go back and come back for funeral. How long? About 3 weeks time. About 1 month you go take. There was 1 month, yeah. Yeah, man. There's something we start out tonight. In Toronto, so I'm going to do it and come back. Alright, do you man? We're there. I'll go out long for the ground. Here? Yeah, man. Bless you, here. Alright. Yeah, one love. Come on, come on, Toronto girl for me, here. What do you mean, man? Yeah, man. Get more nice Toronto girl. What do you mean, man? Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, more want to have ambition, have local money because we don't have none. What about a whitey? We no matter complexion. But get me one where have local money. We don't want them to use. No. But we want things. We don't want them come broke like me. No, sir. We want the tour we have something. Because me have my talent, but you need money to match up to it. That's you have to do it, man. You go work. So babe, great man. Yeah, man, we go do it, man. We line up. Alright. It's about a month. We'll come back in a month time. Alright, daddy. Yeah, bless. Go and hold it. Yeah, one love. Burn it down. Yeah. So where else are you going to feel? So, I'm going to you have a vehicle to drive now. You can't drive. I'm going to teach you. Yeah, you will learn. You see when you drive, you don't look down on the ground, you know. If you don't on the ground, you look up in the car. Take time with it, daddy. Man, don't mash it up, man. Take time, come forward. On the sidewalk there, kind of high. Alright, I'm a general. Alright. Burn it down. Yeah, man.
I'm in my life, you know.
You can't manage my relationship, you know.
I want a nice brown woman on the yard there. But me I tell you some other one bartender in my life.
I'm not bartender, I'm a bartender. So it's not that I really like wrong place.
Are you me like, man?
I never. Just. I'm money.
Oh, I'm rich. A quarter mil, me come. Put the number in this.
My phone number.
So what is that?
Borrow books.
Put the number in it.
I don't have a number for you. I'm going to go on to your girl to kill you. But I can't manage you. I need for man, then I can't stress me.
Alright, I'm can't buy the whole life bar.
Then buy now. But you can't jump in, can't stop on the street.
The man can't manage you. Bad man, more man love.
That's why I shave the stick because I don't like bad man.
I hold it for boy, me dirt. I show me not like talk, you hear?
What's up?
Huh?
What's up?
I mean?
Why you can't tell up straight? Why you go manage you? What's this side?
Woman, you can't manage you. I'm your finger in your life.
Say,
Me?
you know the man?
I don't want to know him.
What's up? If you know me, man.
Yo, your man is a bad man. Me a bad man. I me kill a waka boy. Can't turn up straight here though.
Pick up now, pick up now. Babes, your phone a ring.
Yo.
Bossy, may I send you some look for your phone?
Alright, send it.
Alright. Alright. Show me hit the phone here, see?
Top shotter. Yeah man, you always know some second in a one bar and hear the youth. We're killing never. Yeah man, in drunk and talking. So then kill him friend and yeah, and now I'm going to go and kill your never. See, yeah man, what we do? Alright, that's alright.
So boss, what you want me to do? See me send every day, you know. Just send me back a voice note, cause I'm really good for the texting, you know. Her send me a voice note as soon as possible. Send us something. Watch him a call back. Yeah, bossy. So what you want me to do?
Second, Dustin. Yes, no. Alright.
Alright, no problem. Me match that up. Alright.
Hola, liquor.
And send to bossy.
Yes, glory be to the most, I give thanks to life. So for you see the face, see the voice, you know what it is, you know what I mean? Thank you for watching, you know what I mean? And if you're not subscribed yet, do subscribe. We're on the road for 70K, you know what I mean? So, you know, the journey continues. Let us push forward. Let's go. So, alright, as we go along now, we have our Airbnb where we now, you know, we just organize up it. So if you're interested, like you want to chill out for a day, one place apart, nobody know about you there. You have everything to your comfort there. We have a location like that right now. It's not a part of it's an outside, not joined to the house where anybody gonna come. You're in contact with nobody alone. You're there by yourself. You can have your privacy, you know what I mean, and tranquility, you know what I mean? Because people want a peace of mind sometimes. Yeah, man, say you want a day away, alright? Just contact us, you know what I mean? I'll see the number up on the screen, same speed. So, make the link, you know what I mean? I will take it from there, so, you know what I mean? No matter where they're in the world, you know what I mean? The location is in South Froome region, you know what I mean? Tollgate region, so. A good vibration away from all the noise, you know what I mean, close to a river, you know what I mean, if you want to go to the river and thing, you know what I mean, but more sure inside of the room as we get it cleaned up and ready, you know what I mean, let's go. Yeah man, welcome man, you know what I mean, in a yard yeah, to Brad. See your life and live in colors, you know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. Anywhere there in the world, man. You want to come spend some time in a yard, yeah, with them, you know what I mean? Real Jamaican style, you know what I mean? So, one day I go and pick it up, see arts up on the wall, I go and hold it up, so you Bob Marley, you know what I mean? You go walk, yeah man. So there, you know what I'm saying? Everything good. So, make a link, we'll talk about it, while I go on. See, you have TV there, you have internet, and you have DVD just in case you want to do some DVD. You have kitchen. Watch that. You have a stove, your microwave, and you have a fridge. See it there? You have a look at things that you can put in it to cool out the same way. Microwave, you know what I mean? You curtain, a washer now, you know what I mean? So everything good. Everything go over. Let's go. Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life. Step up and can see the van. Step away a little bit. You can see the whole of the van? Step up, you can see what I. Alright. So, the other day I tell you I want a vehicle. This is the vehicle that I purchased. Right? Yeah. But the tricky part of it is the vehicle is not already paid for. It's like a good Samaritan out in the world there hear my cry and they loan me the money to get it, right? So now I'm working on the money to pay for it. You know what I mean? Because I get a lot of calls and people say they would do this, some say they would do that, but they haven't done much. And this person called and said, what's going on? Like a lot of people say they're gonna do stuff. But we say nobody now really didn't really. And the person I didn't. I not time so good enough, but me have a money when me not use till certain time in the year. So I'm lend it and they give it back to me. So that's the agreement. You know what I mean? So the contribution towards this week is still open. You know what I mean? Because it's a war I'm fighting here, you know what I mean, to provide these content, not only from that point of view, but from saving my country point of view, where we really need an industry for filming, and it's gonna take what it's gonna take, and it's gonna do what it's gonna do. We're just showcasing that we have talent. There is plenty other things that we can do in terms of making greater movie, but the money is not there for it now. But we have to continue to make it step by step towards the goal. You know what I mean? For getting different equipment when the time is right and everything. And acquiring a space for Jamaiwood Studio officially. You know what I mean? Where you have everything there, you can pull down and fit up and you can have every different type of movie.
You know what I mean? So this is just a small start towards the future because we're going to need to get around. You know what I mean? So this is the vehicle. It's a V8 Titan. You know what I mean? So it can pull things. So that's the reason why we get something where it can do things more than one something. You know what I mean? It can carry more people than normal and it can pull anything. You know what I mean? So glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. Thanks for watching. You know what I mean? Continue supporting. And the number up on the screen if you want to talk to me directly to make a donation. You just call this a number here. And we talk about it and see how we can sort out it. You know what I mean? Because it's a must to achieve the goals them that's set in front of us. You know what I mean? And who can we count on but ourselves? You know what I mean? So this is a movement forward. Let's go.